It's a giant ledger. It's a giant ledger where the transactions are recorded on a timestamp basis. Like for example, today at 6 o'clock India time, we are doing this meeting, and so this transaction has been recorded. So this transaction has been recorded. So that is basically what it means by timestamp basis. And then we have the next transaction. Then we have the next transaction. That's how basically it actually works upon, right? So it's a collection of data, and this data is of blocks. These blocks are linked. Block 1, block 2, block 3, these are linked, and that's how the blockchain is formed, right? Every block has a set of transactions which are recorded on the block, right? That is how it basically works. And this record is sent to millions of computers around the world. It is open source. ओपन सोर्स मींस आप कहीं भी हो, चाहे आप इंडिया में हो, सिंगापुर में हो, यूके में हो, आप उसको एक्सेस कर सकते हो. यू कैन एक्सेस इट वेर एवर यू आर इन द वर्ल्ड, राइट? एंड इट इज there are three pillars that are behind blockchain. Number one, decentralization. Decentralization means that there is no middleman. आपने वीडियो में देखा होगा that there is no need for a bank, there is no need for anybody in the government or anybody in the middle. So it is decentralized. There is no middleman. That is number one. Number two, peer to peer. Peer to peer, I mean, if you were watching the video, they were wearing masks. That means they didn't know each other. उन्होंने मास्क पहना हुआ था, वो एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं, लेकिन वो ट्रांजेक्शंस को वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं. When people don't know each other, there is more honesty in the transaction. When people don't know each other, there will be more authenticity in the transaction. जब हम जानते हैं तो थोड़ा सा बायस आ जाता है. लाइक कना कैन से, मुनीर सर एक छोटा सा काम था, आई हैड अ फेवर टू डू. सो जहां पे वो छोटा सा काम आ जाए तो दैट्स अ फेवर. सो द आइडिया इज blockchain, it is decentralized, it is 100% transparent. All the transactions can be checked, can be verified on the blockchain. And number three, immutable. Immutable means you can't change the transaction. एक बार transaction timestamp हो गया तो you can't alter them. It is immutable. तो forgery नहीं हो सकती. There are less chances of corruption, unlike the traditional financial or the current financial system which we have all across the world, right? So immutability, transparency, and decentralization, these are the three pillars of blockchain, and that's why we say in blockchain we trust. That is the reason why we say in blockchain we trust. Right? So let's understand some applications of blockchain. Before that, I have a question for you. Maybe you could answer in the chat box. So the question is blockchain and Bitcoin the same thing? What do you think? क्या blockchain और Bitcoin same thing है?
Like, you all can fill in your responses in the chat box. We just discussed what blockchain is, and the question is blockchain and Bitcoin the same thing? Whatever you think the right answer should be, you can fill in the chat box. I think a lot of you are already responding, and that's great.
So that's wonderful, and I'm happy to see Deep and Bharat saying Bitcoin is part of blockchain. Bitcoin is one manifestation of blockchain. Blockchain का एक जो use है, उसमें से एक है कि it helps to create cryptocurrencies, but it's actually bigger than that. It's much more than that. Like blockchain can be used for healthcare. Blockchain can be used for data security. Countries like Switzerland, countries like Estonia, countries like Malta, they're using it for voting. Then across the world, blockchain is being used for financial services and real estate. Like, how do we do real estate? We are based in UK. We use the blockchain for tokenizing properties. Suppose आपने property दुबई में लेनी है, आप property इंडिया में लेनी है, आपने property थाईलैंड में लेनी है, तो हम blockchain में जो property का जो data है उसको उसमें हम store करते हैं, and we create tokens where suppose there's a 1 crore property, you can even buy that with 5 lakh rupees using the blockchain tokens, right? So that is called blockchain tokenization. So this is the industries which are using blockchain, and we encourage clients and even some of our students to use implement solutions solutions where blockchains can be implemented, right? As solutions aap nikaliye, especially if you're from IT or you have an idea where you can use solutions through blockchain. So blockchain is much bigger than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just one part of blockchain. All right. So blockchain is actually part of Web3. Web1 is the 1990s, when people didn't believe in even computerization. जब पहली बार computerization आया था, especially in India, people were actually against computerization. I still remember my father was in the external affairs ministry, my uncle was in the banks. They were against computerization. उनको लगा ये computerization और internet चलने वाला नहीं है. This is all, you know, this won't continue. There were literally strikes in the banks at that point of time. They were against computerization. But today we all know that today we can't actually exist without computers and internet. आज internet और computers हैं, तो हम लोग का गुजारा है, because उसके बिना हम लोग we can't actually live without that. Then 2000 came the web 2.0. So web 2.0 is basically where we are exchanging information through a third party, like we do mails, हम मेल करते हैं through a third party. Then we have the FANG stocks, FAANG, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. They all started in 2000. Then they were very small companies. They were very small companies. और लोगों का उन पे विश्वास नहीं था, लोगों का लगा ये आईटी चलने वाला नहीं है. Maybe some of you who might remember there was something called the Y2K crash. लोगों को लगा था कि जब 2000 ईयर शुरू हो जाएगा तो पूरी दुनिया में जो कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है खत्म हो जाएगा, राइट? जब वो 2000 डिजिट आ जाएगा, 1999 से 2000 डिजिट आ जाएगा. That's what people basically felt. So web 2.0, 2000s, basically people didn't believe in Facebook, they didn't believe in Amazon, they didn't believe. And now we all know these companies, including Tata Consultancy, including Infosys, including Wipro from India, they're all big players now, right? They're all big players. Even Tech Mahindra also. ये सब बड़े बड़े players हैं. उस समय it was a start for them. It was a start for them. And जिन्होंने इन companies में invest किया, they're all super rich. They made good money. And now we are coming to Web 3.0. We start Web 3.0 with 2009. 2009 when blockchain was improvised and Bitcoin was created in 2009. Then 2013, decentralized applications were created using Ethereum. Ethereum is the #1 altcoin. Coins created after Bitcoin. Ethereum was used for creating decentralized application. Decentralized मतलब applications वो जहाँ कोई भी कहीं भी दुनिया में हो वो उस application को create कर सकते हैं. So it was used for creating decentralized application. And then now we are moving on to Web 3. We are talking about metaverse. We are talking about non-fungible tokens. We are talking about Internet of technology. So we moved on from reading, writing, and now we are moving on to Web 3.0, reading, writing, and owning. Owning means कि data हमारे पास है, हम थर्ड पार्टी पे अपना डेटा स्टोर नहीं कर रहे. हम हमारी थर्ड पार्टी पे हमारी फोटोग्राफ्स या हमारे इंफॉर्मेशन या हमारे बारे में मालूम नहीं. टुडे इफ यू लुक ऑन गूगल, Google knows more about us, maybe more than your parents also. Right? YouTube knows more about your searches. Right? All your photographs are there on Facebook and Instagram. So your friends are there. Maybe your family, your parents may not know so much about you. जितना वो इंटरनेट का इंजन आपके बारे में जानता है. Right? That is the situation right now. And we are storing our data on these platforms. And these platforms, some of them, they actually sell that data. Facebook is known to breach privacy. Yeah, they have been summoned number of times in Europe. They have been summoned a number of times in US because they've been known to breach privacy. Yeah, so that is something which Facebook has been doing. Even many countries, including India, banks, they sell the data to telecommunication companies, to credit card companies, and we know what happens. We get a phone call, आपने loan लेना है, आपने credit card लेना है. So where does that start from? That basically starts from data. हमारा data के साथ compromise किया जाता है. But Web 3.0 is that you are part of the data, but you're earning out of it. Like for example, you are storing your data on Storage. Storage is a decentralized storage platform. When you're storing your data, you're earning Storage. Storage is cryptocurrency. On YouTube, usually you won't get anything. Again, आप YouTube में खुद आप promote कर रहे हो अपना को अलग बात है, but otherwise when you're watching videos on YouTube, you actually don't earn anything. But idea of Web 3.0 is like Theta. On Theta, when you're watching Theta TV, you're earning Theta fuel. So you're watching to earn. You're storing your data to earn. If you browse on Brave browser, you're earning cryptocurrency. So you're browsing to earn. You're playing games. When I used to play games, I think Mario, उस सब मैं खेला करता था. I never won anything. सिर्फ पैसा जाता था, कभी कुछ आता नहीं था. But today, when you play games on NFTs like Axie Infinity, you're playing to earn. Today, when you're jogging, walking, moving, you're moving to earn. Right? Moving to earn, watching to earn, storing to earn, playing to earn. These are all things where you are earning. By doing activities, you are becoming part of the revenue stream and you're earning into cryptocurrency. So what we are basically moving on to data which is decentralized, data which is not controlled by anybody, and if it is controlled by anybody, you are earning out of that. आप जो भी इसमें participate कर रहे हो, so you're earning from those activities. That is what Web 3.0 is all about, right? So we are moving on to Web 3.0, and that's where we'll talk about blockchain. That's where we talk about all the other things which I just mentioned. So it's very important that we need to understand. We need to understand that there are three kinds of people in this world. Number one are those who make things happen. Number one are those who make things happen. And number two are those who watch things happen. And number three are those who say what happened. So which category do you think you should belong to? Number one, those who make things happen. Or number two, those who watch things happen. And number three, those who say what happened. So which category do you think you should belong to in today's world? If you want to make the maximum out of it. यदि आपने मैक्सिमम बनाना है तो किस कैटेगरी में आपको होना चाहिए? So Deep is saying make things happen. All right. Krishna is also saying make things happen. So is Narendra. All right. So I think most of you are in the number one category, which is to make things happen. Excellent. Because that's where you make money. If you're able to make things happen, you're going to make money. It's as simple as that. Those who invested into Bitcoin in 2009, 2010, 2011, जिन लोगों ने Ethereum में invest किया 2013, 2016, if you just saw today, Ethereum is around $1,200. In 2016, आज से 6 साल पहले Ethereum was only $1. Ethereum in 2016 was only $1, and today it is around $1,100 to $1,200. Look where it started, right? So those who understand technology in the long term, they are always profitable. They're the ones who become multi-billionaires. They're the ones who become, they understand. So it's all about understanding, making things happen, right? So thank you so much for your response. Happy to see that most of you have replied that you want to make things happen. And I hope all of you are in category 1 or maximum category 2. You should not be in category 3, right? You should always be in category 1, which is making things happen, or category 2, you're watching what's happening in the world. And on that note, look at these financial institutions. I'm sure you must have heard of Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, Citibank, HSBC, Wells Fargo. These are the world's leading financial institutions, and most of them are in US. Maximum जो आपको यहाँ नजर आ रहे हैं, they are based in US, and they are investing into blockchain and cryptocurrency companies. One of the largest custodians of Bitcoin. Custodian क्या होता है? जैसे हम लोग गोल्ड को बैंक में रखते हैं, as a local facility हम लोग रखते हैं. Same, many of these banks, including in Singapore also, including in Switzerland also, I'll name those banks a little bit later. They are custodians of cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. Custodian मतलब आप वहाँ पे अपना Bitcoin या Ethereum को वहाँ पे रख सकते हो, वहाँ पे आप रख सकते हो, और उस पे आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा इनकम मिलता रहेगा, right? And Citibank is one of the biggest Bitcoin custodians, and they have invested into these companies. You see, ये सारी की सारी जो companies नजर आ रही हैं आपको, these are all companies which are into cryptocurrency or into blockchain. In the last 6 months, these banks are recruiting people from blockchain or cryptocurrency. अपना उनका रिक्रूटमेंट कम हो गया होगा, लेकिन क्रिप्टोकरेंसी और ब्लॉकचेन से ये लोग मैक्सिमम रिक्रूट कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे सी द लॉन्ग टर्म अपॉर्चुनिटी. शॉर्ट टर्म मार्केट ऊपर है, नीचे है, रिसेशन है, that is okay. But the bigger picture we need to understand. The bigger picture is that these financial institutions are investing into cryptocurrency, right, and blockchain. So we have the first main question for today, and I'll request Kana if you can ask this question. Don't put in the chat box. Please read this question. थोड़ा confusing question है. I'll request you to please read it twice, and then you can answer the question.
All right. So the question is, which of these is not a feature of blockchain? You can see the question on your screen. Don't respond in the chat box. I'll be launching a poll. You can fill your responses in the poll. The options are, I think you might all have the poll on your screen. The options are immutable, consensus, centralized, or encrypted. See the question carefully. The question is, which of the following is not a feature of blockchain? So we just discussed some concepts about blockchain, what blockchain is. So I think you all would be able to answer this question. And the options are immutable, consensus, centralized, or encrypted. So you can quickly fill in the responses in the poll. The poll will be like open for 5 more seconds. Quickly fill in your responses and get a chance to win the Amazon vouchers that I mentioned in the beginning. All right, so I think most of you got it right. I would be ending the poll now. And 60% of you got it right. The correct answer is C, centralized. Wonderful.
All right, so that is the right answer, because blockchain is decentralized. It is not centralized, right? So blockchain is immutable, which means you can't change the transaction. Blockchain में consensus होता है, everybody has to agree to a transaction, and blockchain is encrypted. Encrypted means the data is secured. Data को secure किया जाता है using cryptography. Cryptography क्या होता है? Keys होते हैं, private keys. Without private keys, you cannot access the data. That is known as encryption, and that's where we come to the word cryptography. Encrypted, securing private data by coding, and that's where we come to cryptography plus currency. That is equal to cryptocurrency. In UK, in Australia, in US, we encourage applications where instead of getting cash back, you get crypto back. Instead of getting cash back, you get crypto back, because the reason is, in the long term, the value of crypto will always be much more than the value of cash. In हम cash की बात करें, the value of cash, or in crypto language we call it fiat currency. Fiat currency means like Indian rupee, dollar, pound, Japanese yen. ये सबको जो हम लोग फिएट करेंसी बोलते हैं, which is actually the main currency of the country, which is issued by the central bank of the country, like Reserve Bank of India, Bank of England, the Federal Reserve. These are the respective central banks. फिएट करेंसी के लॉन्ग टर्म में वैल्यू हमेशा कम होती है, तो व्हाट वी इंकरेज दैट हम एप्लीकेशंस वो बनाए जहां पे आपका क्रिप्टो स्टोर हो, crypto back. Like for example, in UK, suppose you go to Marks and Spencer, suppose you go to Sainsbury, suppose you go to Pizza Hut. Instead of getting cash back, you get crypto back. You can use crypto to buy vouchers. That's why we say crypto plus currency, because you're using cryptocurrency as a medium of exchange. You can buy properties using cryptocurrency in various countries around the world, like Dubai, in Thailand, and of course in UK also. You can buy properties using cryptocurrencies. So एक तरफ से cryptocurrency को हम fiat currency की तरह use कर रहे हैं, right? And why? Because there is more potential. The value of cryptocurrency will always increase in the long term compared to fiat currency, जिसकी value long term में हमेशा decrease हो जाएगी. Like look at bank interest rates. In India, there was a time when the bank interest rates used to be 14%. Now it is hardly, in for senior citizen, इस समय जो है 6 या 7% है maximum for senior citizen. So interest rates are falling. In UK, the interest rates are only 0.2% per annum. In UK, the bank interest rates are 0.2% per annum. In Japan, the interest rates are negative. Negative मतलब आपको बैंक को पे करना पड़ेगा, because the bank is holding your account. Negative interest rates. Why? Because the supply of money is unlimited. Money supply pump, the notes, the banks, the Reserve Bank of India, there is no limit कि कितने हमने notes print करने हैं, कितने डॉलर प्रिंट करने हैं, कितना हमें कितने हमने INR प्रिंट करने हैं, कितना, उस पर कोई लिमिट नहीं है. And when there is unlimited spending होता है, और जब unlimited spending होता है तो जो पैसों का जो वैल्यू है वो कम हो जाता है. Whenever supply is too much, simple rule, demand and supply, whenever supply is too much, the value of money will fall and the prices will increase. और जब prices बढ़ते हैं तो क्या होता है, we are into this kind of situation, hyper inflation. और हाइपर इन्फ्लेशन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है, अपना इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ाती है, राइट? तो एक दिस इज अ विशियस साइकिल, ये साइकिल चलता रहता है, और आज तक ये साइकिल किसी सेंट्रल बैंक या किसी बैंक से कंट्रोल नहीं हुआ दुनिया भर. आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी सेंट्रल बैंक, एनी कंट्री जिसने इस साइकिल को कंट्रोल किया होगा, राइट? बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस. पहले मनी सप्लाई बढ़ता है, बैंक का कंट्रोल में नहीं होता, उसके बाद वो कंट्रोल करते हैं तो इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ जाता है, प्लस बैंक्स आर नॉट एफिशिएंट एनीवेयर. लेगेसी फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम जिसे हम बोलते हैं, लेगेसी फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम मींस वेयर the bank system is not working at all, and that's the reason why companies and countries and even the governments, they are thinking about decentralized money. Not only this example, companies, countries and governments, they're talking about decentralized money. There are two options in this kind of situation. जब आपकी अपनी करेंसी नहीं चल रही हो, अब यदि इस कंट्री के कुछ नोट्स गुम भी हो जाएं, सपोज कुछ नोट्स डस्टबिन में पाए गए, तो इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील, because they have lost value. Today, US is suffering the worst inflation in the last 41 years. Last 41 years, worst inflation in the US. Why? Again, money supply. पिछले 10 सालों में $6 trillion वहां पे money supply हुआ है, $6 trillion. So money supply बढ़ा, it's in bad shape. Then many countries in Africa, many countries in South America, even Sri Lanka has declared itself as bankrupt. वहां पे inflation का जो rate है, again hyperinflation है. So they're not able to work around. So what is the solution? The solution is, number one, cryptocurrency. Why cryptocurrency? Because cryptocurrency is supply fixed, like Bitcoin. Supply fixed 21 million. It will never exceed 21 million. और 21 में से 90 million already issue हो चुका है. Fixed supply 21 million, 90 million already issue हो चुका है. और second option can be CBDC. CBDC stands for Central Bank Digital Currency, like the Reserve Bank of India is doing. China is already doing that. They have that digital yuan. I mean, even that is also on pilot basis, but there are countries which are planning CBDCs in Europe also. They are planning in USA also. But again, usko time lagega. So one solution is digital currency. Other solution is CBDC. These are the two solutions which are there when you are in this kind of situation, because the supply is fixed. The supply is fixed, right? So again, on cryptocurrency, there's another category, like they're known as deflationary coins. एक होते हैं fixed supply coins like Bitcoin, और दूसरा जो होता है वो होता है deflationary coins. And deflationary coins वो होते हैं जहां जिनका supply regularly reduce होता है. Like for example, BNB, or I would say Ethereum. So they are reducing the supply on a regular basis. So they are known as deflationary coins. So again, यदि supply कम हो रहा है और demand बढ़ रहा है, again, in the long term, the price will only increase, right? If the demand is going to increase, so it's all about demand and supply. Cryptocurrency is not a scheme. Cryptocurrency is not a scheme. Cryptocurrency is just like any other asset. It is the product of demand and supply. So if the supply is fixed or the supply is reducing, the demand will always increase in the long term, right? That is the concept on which cryptocurrencies basically work into, all right? Now, if you look at 2008, there was the financial crisis. Does anybody recall what happened in 2008? दुनिया की मैक्सिमम जो फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस है वो यूएसए से स्टार्ट होती है. I'm sorry, I'm not against USA, but that's a fact. एंड 2008 फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस जो हुई थी वो भी यूएस से स्टार्ट. आज भी जो दुनिया में क्राइसिस है, जो स्टॉक मार्केट्स डाउन है, डिफरेंट फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स डाउन है, इंक्लूडिंग क्रिप्टो मार्केट, वो इसलिए डाउन है बिकॉज द यूएस मार्केट इज गोइंग इनटू अ टफ टाइम because of the inflation, because of the interest rates, Federal Reserve and all that. That's right. Merrill Link, I think iPhone, I wish I knew your name, Lehman Brothers. Yeah, Lehman Brothers. This was one of the biggest housing companies and they collapsed. The Lehman Brothers, they collapsed in the US and these real estate companies के behalf पे यूएस के जो बैंक्स हैं उन्होंने बॉन्ड्स इशू किए थे जिनको बोलते हैं सब प्राइम बॉन्ड्स. दे हैड इशूड सब प्राइम बॉन्ड्स and now they were not able to honor those bonds, and these banks and these companies, they had branches in London, they had branches in Dubai, in Hong Kong, in most of the top cities in the world. और ये सब branches और ये सब companies के जो branches थे, they were on the verge of closure. When the US market sneezes, the rest of the world catches a fever, right? When the US market sneezes, the rest of the world catches a fever. It's exactly what happened. Eventually, the US Congress had to approve a $700 billion bailout. $700 billion bailout. This was news in New York Times on 3rd of October 2008. Again, money supply. So whenever money supply is excessive, the governments have to step in to save the economy. It happens across the world. And till now, the US Congress has spent more than $6 to $7 trillion to save the economy. $6 to $7 trillion to save the economy. And this again is all money supply. And now they're increasing the interest rates. And now they are increasing the interest rates along with other countries in the world also. And at the same point of time, 3rd January 2009 was the birth of Bitcoin. So if you see over here, 3rd October 2008 was the Wall Street bailout, right? In 2008, 2009 was the birth of Bitcoin. Satoshi Nakamoto, he improvised the blockchain. Blockchain का पहला जो ब्लॉक था, जिसे हम बोलते हैं ब्लॉक 0. This is block 1, block 2, block 3. इससे पहले बोलते हैं ब्लॉक 0. ब्लॉक 0 को बोलते हैं Genesis block. The Genesis block was crypto. उसके बाद block 1, block 2, and block 3. Collection of records linked with each other. They can't be altered. They're protected using cryptography. Right? So that's how the story of blockchain started. And 3rd January 2009, to some people, they even call it the birth of Bitcoin. 3rd January 2009 is also known as the birth of Bitcoin. Right? And what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer online currency. It is borderless. Bitcoin को digital gold भी बोलते हैं. Why digital gold? Just like the value of gold is same all across the world. दुनिया में हर जगह गोल्ड की वैल्यू सेम है. सिमिलरली बिटकॉइन की जो वैल्यू है वो भी दुनिया में हर जगह सेम है. बिट गोल्ड को आप छोटे टुकड़ों में कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ब्रेक बिटकॉइन, यू कैन ब्रेक गोल्ड इनटू स्मॉल पार्ट्स. सिमिलरली यू कैन ब्रेक बिटकॉइन इनटू 8 decimals, 0.00 up to 8 decimal parts, and the smallest part is known as Satoshi. The smallest part of Bitcoin is known as Satoshi after Satoshi Nakamoto, right? So even with 100 rupees you can buy Bitcoin. Even 100 rupees you can buy bits or Satoshis, right? And just like gold का mining होता है, physical mining, Bitcoin का digital mining होता है. I just gave you an example in the video. The video which I showed you in the beginning, that was an example of digital mining, how Bitcoin is mined, how transactions are verified on a peer-to-peer basis. So that's how it basically started. And when Bitcoin started on 5th October 2009, the price of Bitcoin was $1 was equal to 1309 Bitcoin. $1 was equal to 1309 Bitcoin. Today, 1 Bitcoin is equal to almost $21,000. This is how it started. So all about understanding opportunity. जिन लोगों ने बिटकॉइन इथेरियम में अपॉर्चुनिटी देखा और आज जो एनएफटीज में या मेटावर्स में या गेमिंग में या डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड स्टोरेज में या वेब 3.0 में अपॉर्चुनिटीज देखते हैं, they're all heavily invested or they are investing into cryptocurrency. They want to make it big, including the angel investors across the world, including the venture capital funds, जिनका नाम आपको बाद में बताऊंगा, which are investing big time now into blockchain and crypto-based companies, including the banks, which I already showed you. So this was the first rate of Bitcoin. The first rate of Bitcoin, $1 was equal to 39 Bitcoin. And there's a very popular story. Most of you might know it. In 2010, somebody called Laszlo Henzik from Chicago, he spent 10,000 Bitcoin just to buy 2 pizza worth $30. 10,000 Bitcoin just to buy 2 pizza worth $30. And today you can understand, आज 10,000 Bitcoin, if suppose Bitcoin right now is 16-17 lakh rupees, what is the value of those 10,000 Bitcoin? Right? You can pretty well imagine that. So now I'll show you a video. In this video, you'll find FED. FED stands for Federal Reserve. And I'm sure our video you understand what I'm talking about. It shows how adoption can happen in the future, especially in cryptocurrency. I hope you like this video.
Get on the ark! Everyone on the ark now!
I think we should get on the ark.
I agree. I think we should get on the ark also.
I'm cold, I'm wet, I'm going home.
So how did you find the video? What do you think? Is it possible that we move on the Bitcoin boat in the future? क्या लगता है आपको? Can I have in the chat box? Relatable? Okay. Anybody else? How do you find the video? What do you think? Anybody else would like to comment on the video? It happens, same, related. Okay, great. Thank you, Abhishek and Krishna, for your views, and Narinder finding it nice. Awesome. So we have the next question, and I'll request Kana to please ask this question. So please wait for the drop down box. Yeah. Okay. So here we have the question.
So the second question for the evening is, which is the first country to formally adopt Bitcoin as its legal tender? You can see the poll. You can fill in your responses in the poll. The options are Zimbabwe, El Salvador, Venezuela, or India. So whatever you think the right answer is, you can fill in the poll itself. सबकी स्क्रीन पे poll आ रहा होगा. I hope the poll is visible to all of you, and you all can fill in the responses. अगर आप लोग नहीं देख पा रहे हैं option poll का, so what you can do is you can click on the bottom right corner of the screen. There will be 3 dots. वहां पे आप क्लिक करके पोल्स पे क्लिक कर सकते हो, फिर आपको ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा पोल पे रिस्पॉन्स फिल करने का. बट आई कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ यू ऑलरेडी रिस्पॉन्डिंग, एंड द ऑप्शंस आर वेनेजुएला, जिम्बाब्वे, एल साल्वाडोर एंड इंडिया. द पोल विल रिमेन ओपन फॉर 5 more seconds, so make sure to respond as fast as you can. Question is, which is the first country to formally adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender? All right, so again, more than 50% of you got it right. So I'd say a smart set of audience we have today. The correct answer is El Salvador. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And Bitcoin has become the new gold for India also. From India, 2 crore people are into cryptocurrency. 2 crore लोगों ने इंडिया से cryptocurrency में invest किया. Around $60 billion. Around $60 billion has been invested by Indians in cryptocurrencies. So have you started investing? Yes or no? It's about time you started. It's about time you understood this field, which I'm sure this workshop is going to help you, and you can embark your journey into cryptocurrency. Good to know, Adhib and Prashant, that you have started your journey. EU, European Union, they are agreeing on crypto regulations limiting stable coins. They are leaving out NFTs and DeFi. This is the latest news. Just 2 days back, the European Union is talking about regulation of cryptocurrency. This is going to be a game changer. The next 2 years will be game changer in terms of regulations. अभी तक पिछले 10 साल से क्रिप्टो में जो बढ़ना था, जो बढ़ गया था, जो होना था हो गया. लेकिन जब 2 साल के बाद जब रेगुलेशन आ जाएंगे तो ये मार्केट थोड़ी स्टेबल हो जाएगी. आप मुझसे पूछो, थोड़ा मजा कम आएगा. तो वी आर टू क्रिप्टो लास्ट 7 years. वो लास्ट 7 years में जो क्रिप्टोकरेंसी में जो ग्रोथ देखा है, राइट, वो तब हुआ जब रेगुलेशन नहीं था. और आप जब रेगुलेशन की बात हो रही है, जो आई थिंक 2024 से कंट्रीज विल स्टार्ट अडॉप्टिंग इट, देन थिंग्स विल बिकम मोर स्टेबल, राइट. बट राइट नाउ वॉलेटिलिटी का जो दूसरा नाम है वो क्रिप्टो करेंसी है, राइट? द सेकंड नेम फॉर वॉलेटिलिटी इज क्रिप्टो करेंसी बिकॉज़ द रिटर्न्स आर अमेजिंग एंड द रिवर्स इज आल्सो ट्रू, राइट? So EU agreement and let's see more news. Yeah, UK itself, we want to make Britain a crypto hub, but with investor protection. That's good. Crypto hub UK बनना चाहता है. Dubai's new crypto law attracts Bybit. Dubai is hot in terms of crypto adoption, right? In fact, we already have an office in UK. Our next office we are planning also into Dubai, and then Toronto. Toronto is another place which is very crypto friendly, and maybe after that in Bangalore also in India. Bangalore also has the maximum number of crypto exchanges in India. India का जो top crypto exchanges है वो सब Bangalore के हैं, right? So we like WazirX, CoinDCX, CoinSwitchQuick, Unocoin, ZPay, सब Bangalore के हैं. So we regard Bangalore as a crypto. Also, most of our students are also from Bangalore. Yeah. So UAE, Dubai, they're all getting hot into cryptocurrency. That's right. The Indian investors and crypto entrepreneurs, they are moving to Dubai. They are doing that. Because Dubai के laws जो काफी attractive है, and again Dubai is also near to India compared to UK or Canada, which are very far. Even Singapore is a very good option, to be honest. Singapore again is also very crypto friendly. There's a bank in Singapore. Maybe you might have heard the name of the bank. The name of that bank is DBS, and DBS is one of the most technology friendly banks in Asia. They are investing big time in the metaverse. Number one. Number two, next year they are launching their own digital asset exchange. India में भी उनकी branches. Even I also have an account in DBS, right? Next year, they're opening their own digital asset exchange. And they are one of the top banks in Asia in terms of technology adoption. So they're really big. So now we have next question, and I'll request Kana to please ask this question.
So the next question for the evening is, who is the inventor of Bitcoin? अगर आप लोग क्लास ध्यान से सुन रहे थे, had you been attending the class like attentively, we discussed the same in the class. Options are A, Satoshi Nakamoto, B, Changpeng Zhao, C, Anatoly Yakovenko, or is it D, Sandeep Nailwal? So who is the inventor of Bitcoin? What do you think the right answer is? Whoever gets the correct answers, and the person getting the maximum correct answer will definitely get the Amazon vouchers. So make sure to fill in your responses and let us know whatever you think the right answer is. The inventor of Bitcoin. The poll will remain open for 5 more seconds. So you can quickly fill in your responses. A lot of you have already responded, and I'm glad to say that most of you are responding correctly. Fill in the responses as soon as you can. I'll be ending the poll now. Wonderful. So more than 80% of you got it right. The right answer is indeed A, Satoshi Nakamoto. What do you say?
Wonderful. So Satoshi Nakamoto is the person behind Bitcoin. So just a few minutes back, I mentioned some exchanges in India, the top exchange in India. Now, internationally, the top exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Crypto.com and Gate.io. These are the top 5 exchanges in the world. If you're opening your account for the first time, please make sure कि आपको जो account हो वो world के top exchanges में खुले. Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, they are very good exchanges along with Crypto.com and Gate.io. These are the top exchanges. And the person behind Binance is Changpeng Zhao. Changpeng Zhao is the owner of Binance Exchange. All right. And in India, the top exchanges are WazirX, ZPay, CoinDCX, and CoinSwitchQuick. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 exchanges are pretty good. In India, if you want to open your account, these are good exchanges, but my personal favorite, again, please do your own research. Don't just say because I'm telling you to do that. WazirX, ZPay, CoinDCX, these and including CoinSwitch is very good. I like Unocoin also because Unocoin is there since 2013. India का सबसे पुराना जो crypto exchange है, it is Unocoin. It is there since 2013, and like I mentioned, most of these exchanges are in Bangalore, right? So please make sure that you open your account in a reputed crypto exchange. So now let's get to the generations of crypto. Crypto के भी 3 generations हो चुके हैं, right? And what are those generations? The generation 1, Bitcoin, 2009. The first generation, Bitcoin, 2009, 10 transactions per second, slow. 10 transactions per second, but purana cryptocurrency, old is gold, right? Store of value, digital gold, store of value. That is generation 1 crypto. And then generation 2, Ethereum, 20 to 25 transactions per second. Digital oil. Why digital oil? क्योंकि इस पे हम लोग decentralized applications, smart contracts और न जाने क्या क्या हम Ethereum को use करते हैं और बना सकते हैं. So it can do 20 to 25 transactions per second. Digital oil, generation 2 cryptocurrency, 2013. Generation 3 मतलब हमारे जनरेशन में आप आ जाइए, और ये है Polkadot, Solana, Avalanche, many cryptos. I think 2018 के बाद जितने भी cryptos बने हैं, create हुए हैं, they're all generation 3 cryptos and they can do 1000 to 50,000 transactions per second. और इनका जो cost है transaction का, it is less than 1/4 of Ethereum. Cost is less than 1/4 of Ethereum. We use a word, I'll request Karan to please put in the chat box. The word is scalability. Scalability means two things. Number one, it is the number of transactions per second and the cost. जो आज की डेट में जो क्रिप्टो करेंसी they are much more scalable than the generation 2 and the generation 1 crypto, which is Bitcoin. So generation 3 is more scalable, हम तेजी से आगे जा रहे हैं. But question is, the generation 3 crypto इतना fast है. Solana can do 50,000 transactions per second, and the person behind Solana is Anatoly Yakovenko. कहाँ गए क्या? See, Anatoly Yakovenko, he is the person behind Solana. 50,000 transactions. The question is, यदि generation 3 इतना तेज है, तो हम जनरेशन 1 और या जनरेशन 2 में क्यों गए? तो बिटकॉइन चलो पुराना हो गया, इट्स बिगेस्ट क्रिप्टो करेंसी, ठीक है, इन्वेस्ट करें, बट व्हाई इथेरियम? एंड इथेरियम का स्पीड भी इतना कम है और कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन भी 4 गुना ज्यादा है. Kana knows that students who pay us for our courses using cryptocurrency they never pay by Ethereum. दो इथेरियम के ट्रांजैक्शन चार्जेस काफी हाई होते हैं. Students who pay our courses by cryptocurrency they never pay by Ethereum, क्योंकि इथेरियम के जो ट्रांजैक्शन चार्जेस है that is known as gas fees. Again, can I requesting please, you can put these terms in the chat box. Gas fees are the transaction charges which are incurred when you're doing transactions on Ethereum, like you're creating your decentralized applications, आप NFT बना रहे हो, so they are known as gas fees. Thank you so much, Gana, for that. Right. So, point what I want to say is, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they are slow, but generation 3 they are much more fast. But again, generation 2 में क्यों invest करें? Ethereum has two solutions. Ethereum को यदि अपने आप को बढ़ाना है तो दो solution है. उन solution पे बताने पे पहले I'll tell you one more thing, which is number one is layer 0, layer 1 and layer 2. Layer 0 means blockchain. जो blockchain जो होता है उसको बोलते हैं layer 0. Layer 1 जो है वो होता है Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, ये सब layer 1 cryptos है. Layer 1 cryptos इन सब का अपना blockchain है. In crypto technical language, there's a difference between cryptocurrency and a token. In technical language, there's a difference between cryptocurrency and token. When a client approaches us, he says कि मैंने अपना coin बनाना है. हम उनसे पूछते हैं, do you want a cryptocurrency or a token? What is the difference between a cryptocurrency and a token? A cryptocurrency is one that is on blockchain. A token is one which is created on the cryptocurrency's blockchain. यानी कि Ethereum के blockchain में बन गया, Ethereum के blockchain में बन गया Aave, Compound, Uniswap, Sand, Mana. ये सब tokens हैं जो Ethereum के blockchain पे बनते हैं. So tokens are created on other blockchains, on layer 1 cryptos. Layer 1 cryptos के जो blockchain है उनमें token create होते हैं, right? Like Polkadot में Kusama, Ocean, Solana में SRM, right? Akash, they are created on this Solana's blockchain. इनको बोलते हैं proprietary blockchain. Proprietary blockchain means they have their own blockchain. And layer 2 cryptos क्या होते हैं? Okay, so layer 0 क्या होता है? Let's quickly check if you're able to, if I'm not going too fast. So quickly on the chat box, please. What is layer 0? What is layer 0? Quickly recap हो जाएगा. What did I mention? What is layer 0? Come on. Okay, guys, chat box. Tick. That means I'm going very fast. I need to slow down. फिर आज का वर्कशॉप खत्म नहीं हो गई, मैं इतना slow down. Anybody, what is layer 0? Layer 0 is not Bitcoin. It's not Bitcoin. Blockchain. Very well done, Santosh. Good job. And what are layer 1? These are layer 1 cryptos. What are tokens? Anybody, quickly on the chat box. What is the difference between cryptocurrency and a token? Quickly, that's right, Krishna. Well done. Blockchain. Cryptocurrency और token का क्या difference है? Can I have in the chat box, please? What is the difference between cryptocurrency and a token? Yes, blockchain. Okay. Well done. Cryptocurrency और token का क्या difference है? Yeah, okay, I think cryptocurrency का अपना blockchain होता है, token का अपना blockchain नहीं होता. Token इन cryptocurrencies पे create होते हैं. Awesome. Now there's something called layer 2 cryptos. What are layer 2 cryptos? Layer 2 cryptos, they work especially on Ethereum. Ethereum पे खास इसके खास सेवा करते हैं. क्या सेवा करते हैं? They help to increase the speed of transaction of Ethereum. Actually, Ethereum has two options. पहला option है कि layer 2 cryptos. Layer 2 cryptos like Matic or Polygon. Matic and Polygon, they basically work on Ethereum to increase the speed of transaction to 65,000 transactions per second. जब Matic या Polygon Ethereum के layer पे काम करता है तो Ethereum के layer पे congestion कम हो जाता है. It reduces the congestion on the layer of Ethereum. It works on the base layer. It makes it more scalable. It helps Ethereum to touch 65,000 transactions per second. And what is Matic Polygon? Polygon or Matic is a blue chip crypto, along with Bitcoin, along with Ethereum, along with Solana, along with Cardano. It is a blue chip crypto. What is a blue chip crypto? Anybody? What do you think is a blue chip crypto? That's right. iPhone tokens are built on blockchain. You message me directly. What is a blue chip crypto? ये आपको blue chip crypto नहीं मालूम तो blue chip shares क्या होते हैं? Same thing. What are blue chip shares? हम कहते हैं कि शेयर मार्केट में हमें ब्लू चिप शेयर्स में ही हमेशा मैक्सिमम इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. तो व्हाट आर ब्लू चिप शेयर्स? द सेम थिंग इज ब्लू चिप क्रिप्टो. नाउ कैन यू गेस व्हाट आर ब्लू चिप शेयर्स और ब्लू चिप क्रिप्टोस? No, iPhone, you're wrong. You mentioned very list price. It's not the price. Established ones. That's right. Like, what are the top shares in India? I think Infosys is top share. SBI is a top share. HDFC is a top share. Airtel is a top share. Reliance Industries is a top share. Tata Power, yeah, Tata Consultancy. These are the strong ones. Similarly, cryptocurrency में blue chip cryptos होते हैं, like Matic, like Ethereum, like Cardano, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum. उनको बोलते हैं blue chip cryptos. Cryptos में जब हम लोग invest करते हैं, there are different categories, right? So Polygon or Matic is a layer 2 crypto, and it plays a major role. And let's look at the website of Polygon, and we'll do that now. Just a second, please. Why is it not opening? Yeah, okay. So let's go to the Matic website. Polygon.technology. So you can see Polygon, it works on the word of Ethereum. It makes Ethereum more scalable, right? It makes Ethereum accessible for everybody. It makes Ethereum accessible for everybody, compatible, scalable, more secure, developer friendly, right? And let's see who are the people behind Ethereum. Let's go to About Us. And here you can check out the glance of the projects, the applications, dApps, decentralized applications, number of users, daily transactions, and the people behind Polygon. And you can clearly see that the people behind Ethereum, Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nelwal, Anurag Arjun, they are from India. They're from Gujarat and Maharashtra respectively. And meanwhile, Mihailo Bezlik and David Schwartz are also people who are there, right? So these are the people. And you may remember, जो हमने आपको quiz में question पूछा था, over here, Sandeep Nelwal. So Sandeep Nelwal is the person behind Matic, and Tori Yakovenko is the person behind Solana. Satoshi Nakamoto is Bitcoin, and Changpeng Zhao is behind the world's #1 exchange, which of course is Binance, right? So now let me talk about more about blue chip cryptos. What I mean by blue chip cryptos. Now for blue chip cryptos, we go to a website called coinmarketcap.com, which is one of the most popular websites, especially if you're new. There are 20,000 cryptos. 20,000 cryptos. I want to ask you a question. यदि आप क्रिप्टो में पहली बार इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, राइट, और आपको नॉलेज कम हो, व्हाट रैंक वुड यू प्रेफर इन्वेस्टिंग इनटू? वुड यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन द टॉप 100, टॉप 50, टॉप 10, या जिसका रैंक 10,000 है या 15,000 या 20,000 है? Where would you want to invest into? So can I have in the chat box? Where would you want to invest to? There are 20,000 cryptos. Total इनका वैल्यू है almost 1 trillion, 920 billion total वैल्यू है इनका. Krishna is saying top 10. Excellent. Okay, anybody else? Top 100, not bad, Pratik. Top 10 again. Low cap, top 100. I won't say low cap. Cap इनका हमेशा ज्यादा होगा. ये आप top 100 का मतलब cap हमेशा ज्यादा ही होगा. तो low cap वर्ड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यदि उनका रैंक टॉप 100 है तो उसका मतलब उनका कैप ज्यादा, प्राइस कम हो सकता है. मे बी यू माइट से लो प्राइस कम हो सकता है, लेकिन उनका मार्केट कैप हमेशा ज्यादा होगा, राइट? प्राइस इज इवन लाइक शिबा इनू का प्राइस बहुत कम है, लेकिन उसका मार्केट कैप ज्यादा है. सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट यू मीन. या टॉप 100 जिनका मार्केट कैप, या दैट्स राइट. सो शिबा इनू का मैंने वो एग्जांपल आपको बता रहा था. Top 10 on blockchain, maybe you can say that. Actually, again, token can also be very useful. In the second half, I'll tell you about DeFi tokens. DeFi tokens क्या होते हैं? So token का मतलब ये नहीं कि वो उनका वैल्यू कम है. Tokens can be even more valuable than cryptocurrency itself. So it doesn't mean कि token का वैल्यू कम होगा. Right. So the top two cryptos which are there, Bitcoin. Bitcoin का market cap is 389 billion. Ethereum का जो market cap है, it is 143 billion. When we divide 389 by the total market cap, which is 920 billion, we get this figure, 42.3%. Bitcoin dominance. मतलब पूरी market का 42% जो control है वो Bitcoin का है, right? How do we do that? Once again, Bitcoin का market cap मतलब जो Bitcoin की supply है, we multiply the supply with the price, we get the market cap. जब हम Bitcoin का market cap को total market cap से divide करते हैं, we get 42%. Similarly, Ethereum का market cap को हम टोटल मार्केट कैप से डिवाइड करते हैं तो वी गेट 15.6%. Now before moving on, in the second half I'll be showing you how to analyze cryptos, right? कैसे हम fundamentally strong cryptos को analyze करते हैं. We'll do that in the second half. But before that, I'm going to show you one or two important websites related to, especially related to Bitcoin. One of them is World Assets Market Cap. On World Assets Market Cap, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा जो asset है वो gold है. Gold has 11.4 trillion market cap. 11.4 trillion is the market cap of gold, right? अभी प्राइस का $1,700. Number 2 is Apple. So यदि आपका MacBook है, iPhone है, well, congratulations, आप दुनिया के सबसे second number पे कीमती asset को आप own कर रहे हैं, because Apple is the second most valuable. And number 3 Saudi Aramco. It's an oil-based company. Then Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Silver, Tesla. Then Berkshire Hathaway. Bitcoin right now is ranked number 15. In this list, Bitcoin का जो rank है 15. But one thing which is very interesting, which you need to understand, इस समय Bitcoin में जो पूरी दुनिया में जितने users हैं, again I'm not talking about crypto, I'm talking about Bitcoin, it's only 12 crore. The number of users in Bitcoin are only 12 crore. यदि मैं इनको Facebook से compare करूं जो number 12 पे है, Facebook has 200 crore users per month. Do you understand what I'm going to say? 12 crore से Bitcoin number 16 पे है, right? 200 crore से Facebook जो है 12. देखो डिफरेंस, यहाँ पे 458 बिलियन है. इट्स नॉट इवन डिफरेंस 100 बिलियन. यदि हम फेसबुक को बिटकॉइन से कंपेयर करें, 100 बिलियन का भी डिफरेंस नहीं है. सो मैं कहने मतलब ये कि जब एडॉप्शन बढ़ेगा, जैसे लास्ट ईयर, इफ यू लुक एट द एडॉप्शन लास्ट ईयर, इज इट ऑन, या लास्ट ईयर द क्रिप्टो एडॉप्शन वाज 880%. Last year crypto adoption was 80%. Countries have now started regulating and taxing cryptocurrencies. With more regulation, more people will invest into cryptocurrency. जब रेगुलेशन होगा तो जो लोग पहले से थोड़ा हिचकिचा रहे थे कि रेगुलेशन नहीं है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा, वो सब चीजें थी, और भी ज्यादा लोग इस फील्ड में एंटर करेंगे. और जब ज्यादा लोग एंटर करेंगे तो एडॉप्शन रेट और बढ़ेगा. और जब एडॉप्शन रेट ज्यादा बढ़ेगा तो जिन लोगों के पास बिटकॉइन है उनके नंबर्स भी इंक्रीज होंगे. एंड देयर इज नो डाउट, maybe this year only you might see Bitcoin among the top 7. Adoption, regulation, it's all about ecosystem. Number of people increasing, number of developers, number of miners and users. Ecosystem में 3 लोग होते हैं. Number 1 डेवलपर होता है, जैसे इसमें जो जिन्होंने लॉन्च किया. Miners जो उसको validate करते हैं. Number 3 users. So that's definitely going to happen. I want to show you one more website. This is also very useful. This website is Bitcoin treasuries.org. On bitcointreasuries.org, you can see the top companies which are having Bitcoin. Number 1 is MicroStrategy. 129,000 Bitcoin they're owning. 129,000 Bitcoin they're owning. Number 2 is Tesla. Elon Musk, one of the world's richest, I think top 3 में उनका नाम है. He owns 42,902 Bitcoin. Number 3 is Galaxy, 16,400. El Salvador is also a big investor. Let's look at the countries. Top 2 countries कौन सी है जो Bitcoin own करती हैं? Number 1 is Ukraine. Ukraine is having 46,000. In fact, today, आज because of Bitcoin, Ukraine has survived. To be honest, क्योंकि वहाँ पे financial system खत्म हो चुका है. The financial system has finished. It's because of Bitcoin they have survived, because this is the money they have. 46,000 Bitcoin. Number 2 is El Salvador. 2,380 Bitcoin they have right now. And even recently, I think last week or something, they bought 80 more Bitcoins. एक हफ्ते पहले की बात है, इन्होंने 80 Bitcoin और लिया. This is the number of entities. Private companies owning Bitcoin. Block 1, they have 140,000 Bitcoin. And if I look at the trust, जो दुनिया के सबसे बड़े ट्रस्ट है, like Grayscale Trust, they have 643,000 Bitcoin. 643. But again, please understand, ये सब एक शुरुआत है. This is just the beginning. Adoption अभी शुरू हुआ है, और Bitcoin is just one part of the story. Again, I want to show you one more thing about Bitcoin also. If I compare Bitcoin with the returns with other of the assets which I just showed you, if I compare with them, sorry. यदि हम गोल्ड से बात करें, गोल्ड में पिछले 10 साल में जो रिटर्न है ओनली 9%. गूगल 703%, एप्पल 730%. लास्ट 10 years, Bitcoin has given more than 569,000%. Last 10 years, Bitcoin has given 500. अभी इतना adoption है. जब adoption बढ़ेगा तब क्या होगा? I want to show you one more important statistic, which is this one. In 2015, Reliance का price 438 rupees था. In 2022, now Reliance is 2,500 rupees. If you invested 1 lakh rupees, if you had invested 1 lakh rupees in Reliance, your 1 lakh would have become 6 lakhs, which is good, not bad. बट यदि आपने 1 लाख बिटकॉइन में इन्वेस्ट किया तो आज आपका वैल्यू 90 लाख और 1 करोड़ के बीच में होता है, क्योंकि 18,000 से इस समय 16 से 18 लाख के बीच में बिटकॉइन का प्राइस चला, so maybe around 90 लाख के आसपास आपका वैल्यू होता है. The point is the long term story, the big story as an investor. And today in the second half, I'll show you what are the different ways by which you can make money by cryptocurrency besides investing, right? And I'm going to show you one more thing. Last year जिन लोगों ने ऑल्ट कॉइन्स में इन्वेस्ट किया बिटवीन 2000 मई जून में 2021 में, खासकर बिकॉज उस समय मार्केट का हालत ऐसी थी, ऑलमोस्ट ऐसी थी लास्ट ईयर 2021 मई एंड जून में, 85% of the top coins doubled in value. 85% of the top coins doubled in value. 141 increased by 500%. 141 coins increased by 500%. 74 among the top coins increased by 1000%, and 15 increased by 5000%. This increase is only possible with crypto assets. There is no other asset in the world that can give you this kind of return. There is no other asset in the world that can give you this kind of return. And that's the reason why governments are trying to tax, right? उनको लग रहा है कि हम टैक्स ज्यादा करेंगे तो शायद लोग क्रिप्टो में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. But the point is, we see the returns overall. The returns will always be more than the cost. यदि आपका 1 लाख 50 लाख भी बन रहा है, and you have to pay just 30% taxation and 1% TDS, even then it is worthwhile. And believe me, in the long term, most governments will reduce their taxes. अभी रेजिमेंट बन रहा है, अभी रेगुलेशन बन रहा है, अभी टैक्सेशन बन रहा है. स्टार्टिंग में हर चीज स्ट्रिक्ट लगती है. जब जीएसटी पहली बार इंडिया में आया था, आज से 5 साल पहले, लोग घबरा गए थे, ये जीएसटी क्या आ गया, लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया. बट टुडे द गवर्नमेंट हैज मेड इट कंफर्टेबल. इन थाईलैंड जब हम लोगों ने प्रॉपर्टी बेचना शुरू किया था यूजिंग बिटकॉइन, वी यूज्ड टू पे 30% टैक्सेशन ऑन बिटकॉइन ट्रांजैक्शंस. 30%. Today the taxation is 15%. Europe has had the highest ever taxation, but now in the second year they're giving tax free. Germany में first year taxation है, second year onwards there is no taxation on cryptocurrency. So countries are waking up. In Japan even now the taxation is 55%. So please understand, this is starting. Going forward, most governments are going to be adaptable. अभी regulation आएगा तो शुरू में लगेगा ये क्या हो गया, but we look at the bigger picture. When you look at the bigger picture, the taxes are reducing and the governments are understanding what cryptos mean, what cryptos are all about, what is the value they bring by the utility, by the purpose of that coin, which I'll be mentioning in the second half. कि cryptocurrency का purpose क्या होता है. Like Matic आपको मैंने बताया, what is the purpose of Matic? Matic is a layer to crypto, right? That all those things I'll be showing you in more detail in the second half. And this is our portfolio last year. Last year हमारा जो portfolio था 2021 में, it gave 470% return. Top 3 cryptos say Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Binance Coin. They gave more than 1000% return. And 7 of these cryptos, they gave more than 200% return. And 15 cryptos, out of these 21 cryptos, they touched their all-time high. 15 cryptos, they touched their all-time high. हम अपना portfolio अपने students के साथ बनाते हैं. Every year, those students who are doing our courses, they become part of our parts. Last 7 years, we have been investing and trading into cryptocurrencies. We are also into portfolio management also. In the second half, I'll show you what are different ways by which you can make money by cryptocurrency and how to analyze cryptos. So invest, you must, money you will make. Invest you must, money you will make. Kicks. Second half में आपको मैं थोड़ा केक्स खिलाऊंगा. I mean, केक्स मतलब केक्स का एक framework है, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. The framework by which you can analyze cryptocurrencies. We'll do that in the second half. So now I'll request Kana to introduce you to our crypto community, and he'll also be mentioning to you about our boot camp, where you can learn, earn, and grow more in the world of cryptocurrency and digital assets. So thank you so much for having me. I would like to take a small break, and in this break, I'll request Kana to please do the necessary. Thank you so much. I hope you're finding this session useful and you're able to gain information and knowledge from today's workshop. Over to you, Kana.
Thank you so much, sir. So I just had a power cut off in my area, so you would definitely be able to see me, but a little dim. So yeah, before mentioning about the boot camp that sir was mentioning, I just would like to tell you that the class is not over yet. We would be having a second half of this class, and we will be discussing about the fundamental analysis of the coin, where we'll be teaching the cakes framework as sir mentioned. So okay, before moving on, I would definitely love to know from all of you how your experience had been in class till now. So we have spent around say 1 hour together in learning new things about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, gens and layers of cryptocurrency and everything. So based on the experience that you've had till now, you can fill in the NPS poll that you have on your screen. You can rate the class from 0 to 10, 10 being that you absolutely love the class and 0 being the worst. So you can fill in your responses based on your experience you've had in the class. मतलब जैसे जो कंटेंट हमने कवर किया, the kind of interaction we are having, the entire experience, whatever you had in class, you can fill the ratings based on your experience. We would definitely love to hear from you. And again, I would like to mention that the class is not over. We would be having a second half of this class where we'll be learning about the fundamental analysis of coin, and we would be seeing how you can fundamentally analyze your coins. All right. So make sure to stay connected till the end. And if you stay connected till the end, you'll also get certificates. So don't leave the class yet. And yeah, you can quickly fill in your responses in the poll. I'll be ending the poll now. Wonderful. So now I would just like to share you the bootcamp that sir was mentioning. Let me just quickly share my screen. I'll tell you about the bootcamp. So say cryptocurrency is basically a very vast domain, and it's practically impossible to cover all the contents of cryptocurrency in just 2 hours of time, right? You all might agree with me कि 2 घंटे में इतनी vast domain का सारा content cover करना is absolutely not possible. So what we have is we have an ultimate crypto community and we have a curated bootcamp course. Now, what is that bootcamp course? We have an 18 days bootcamp course where we teach about cryptocurrency right from the basics. We start from step one, we go on till a very good advanced level where you can independently trade and invest into cryptocurrencies by yourself. Now, I want you all to focus on your screens now. These are the outcomes of the bootcamp that we have. We start off with the basics of cryptocurrency. हम सबसे पहले step 1 से शुरू करते हैं and we discuss the basics of cryptocurrency. We then move on to altcoins and storing and securing coins. So altcoins are basically all the coins except Bitcoin, as I mentioned. And now it is very important for all of you to understand how you can store and secure coins, right? यहाँ मतलब in this domain it is particularly very important कि आप सब लोगों को पता हो कि how you can keep your coins secured. So we have a specific class on that as well. We then straight away move on to the fundamental analysis. Although thoda bahut fundamental analysis we would be learning in today's class as well, but then in detail with spending 2 class and building your own portfolio, we'll be doing fundamental analysis in much more detail in the bootcamp. We then also teach technical analysis. We teach you how you can read charts, when you can take entry and exit into the markets, and everything related to technical analysis. That is also covered in the bootcamp. Apart from that, we also cover some profitable trading strategies that Munish sir and his colleagues himself follow for like trading into cryptocurrency, and we also discuss about what your winning psychology should be. All right, so you can see on the screens now. We start off with this extensive bootcamp course from 3rd August, and we'll go until 21st of August. We already have a batch going on in July, so we do regular batches. So we have this batch starting from 3rd August, and we'll go until 21st. You can see on your screens, this is a very extensive bootcamp. So apart from classes, we also have assignments in between where we actually give you some assignments. You have to complete the assignments, like submit the assignments back to us, and Munish sir and the entire team will analyze your assignment. So this is a very practical approach that we follow, and we make you learn about trading and investing into cryptocurrency. So you can see on your screens, you can maybe take the screenshot of the schedule as well. So as I mentioned, we start off with the fundamental analysis of doing a coin, and we have a special class on securing cryptocurrency. One of the most amazing and important classes is on 9th of August, where we discuss Munish sir's own portfolio. So we'll discuss Munish sir's own portfolio in like much depth, and we'll understand what a good portfolio looks like and how you can build your own wonderful portfolio. All right. So after this, we straight away move to the technical analysis where we teach you about how you can read charts. On 16th, we have a class where we'll be teaching you how you can take entry into the markets, when to take exit, when to put a stop loss. So that is also covered in the bootcamp itself. And then comes this class on 19th. So this is the most demanded class that we have. It is basically on margin trading and short selling. Now, what is short selling? Short selling is basically a procedure where you can earn profits even when the market is low. Jab market is not doing very good, even then you can earn money by doing short selling. And then towards the end of the class, we have a bonus session. In this bonus session, we'll definitely tell you some gems that are under $1 right now, but hold great potential in the future. So we'll ourselves give you those coins. You can definitely put those coins in your portfolio and make your portfolio strong. All right. So all these classes that we do are live, and the timings of the classes are 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. in the evening, because all of you might be working professionals or students. So these are the times that suit most of you. So the timings are 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. The bootcamp starts from 3rd August and we'll go until 21st August. All right. Now, the interesting and the special part about this particular bootcamp is As soon as you enroll for this bootcamp, I want you all to listen to me very carefully. As soon as you enroll for this bootcamp, I will add you to a WhatsApp group, and in that WhatsApp group, you will have Munish sir, his colleagues Anand sir, and also the entire support team of Future University. So basically, जैसे आप एनरोल करते हैं आपको मैं उस प्रीमियम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में ऐड कर लूंगा, आपके पास मुनीश सर का कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर आ जाएगा, राइट? So then if you have any doubts during the boot camp and even after the boot camp, you can feel free to contact Munish sir. That WhatsApp group will be there with you for your lifetime. The group wouldn't be destroyed after the boot camp. वो group आपके पास रहेगा for your lifetime. So this is basically a lifetime course. This is not just an 18 days course. ये एक lifetime course है. Because we regularly like keep doing workshops and we regularly push content on those groups. So this is a lifetime course that you'll get access to. Apart from that, as I mentioned, all the classes are live, but still, if you miss some class, I also provide you with the recordings of each of the classes. Sari classes ki recordings I'll give you. So basically, this is an amazing learning experience. If you really want to learn how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency, this is one course that you should definitely attend. Basically, you don't need any prerequisites before attending this course. आपको पहले से कुछ नहीं आना चाहिए. Even if you are completely basic, we'll start off everything right from the basics only, and then we'll like throughout the course itself, you will start trading and investing trading and investing into crypto by yourself without any assistance. So once you attend this course, you will be completely aware of how to trade, how to invest in crypto, and you wouldn't need any assistance from a third party. All right. So I'll quickly tell you the outcomes of the bootcamp. If you complete this bootcamp, you will have a strong portfolio of 8+ coins that you would be investing and trading in. Apart from that, we'll also teach you how to trade in crypto. We'll be teaching intraday trading, positional trading, and also scalping. And you'll have a thorough idea of how does WazirX and Binance works, because we'll be doing a walkthrough on WazirX and Binance. All right. So now I want you all to let me know in the chat box if you all would be interested to do such an interesting, such an intensive, amazing course with Munish sir. So Munish sir is such an experienced teacher. You all might have seen in the class till now. We have spent 1 hour. Still, he has given such a valuable content. I'll definitely reveal the price. But I just want to know right now, how many of you would be interested in participating in such a boot camp? मतलब आप में से कितने लोग ऐसे हैं कि कौन-कौन मतलब जो actually who wants to learn trading and investing into cryptocurrency and be a part of the cryptocurrency that we are building. So, okay, I can see a lot of you are already interested. Narendra, Santosh, Prashant, wonderful. So honor 8x at RJ. You can also rename yourself. No worries. Nilesh, Piyush. Okay, wonderful. So I can already see a lot of you are actually interested for this bootcamp. Now I'll quickly reveal the price. So for all those who have joined this masterclass today, congratulations. We are running an additional discount for this masterclass. Although the price of this course is 10,000 rupees, but only for this masterclass, you have an additional 40% discount. So basically, you only have to pay 5,999, that is 6,000 rupees for this bootcamp. I'll quickly reiterate, the bootcamp starts from 3rd August and it will go until 21st August. It is an 18-day bootcamp course. All the classes are live. They are from 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. But even if you miss any class, I'll be giving you recordings of all the classes. Apart from that, I'll be adding you to a WhatsApp group and you'll have contact number of Munish sir, not only till this bootcamp, but for your lifetime. So even when the bootcamp ends and after that you have some doubts and you want consultation from Munish sir, you can definitely revert back to us, revert back to Munish sir and ask whatever doubt you have. All right. Okay, so moving on, I have some additional benefits for the first 10 enrollments as well. Because this is a very highly demanded course, we do an early bird offer. So jinko bhi, like all those who are interested, we have some additional benefits for the first 10 enrollments. Now, what are these 10 enrollments? First of all, you can see on your screens, I will be giving you these amazing crypto ebooks. These ebooks are priced at rupees 2,000 if you go and find on Amazon. But if you fall under the category of first 10 enrollments, I'll give you these ebooks absolutely for free. First book is Basics of Bitcoin and Blockchain, and the other one is Digital Gold. You can maybe take a screenshot and you can check it out on Amazon. They are absolutely paid ebooks, but we will be giving them to you absolutely for free of cost if you fall into the category of first 10 enrollments. All right. इसके अलावा, I will also give you a free VIP pass to the Super Alpha Trading Conference, which is worth rupees 2,000. Now, what is the Super Alpha Trading Conference? So apart from cryptocurrency, we also do regular workshops into various financial domains from our industry experts, which include, say, personal finance, intraday trading, positional trading, stock trading. You can see on your screens, there are a variety of financial domains that we cover, and we do regular workshops on all of these topics. So although these workshops are paid, but we'll give you a free VIP pass if you fall under the category of first 10 enrollments. अगर आप पहले 10 enrollments में आ जाते हो तो आपको ये वाली conference बिल्कुल absolutely free of cost मिल जाएगी. All right. So apart from this, we also have some additional workshops. First workshop is 10 ways where you can earn passive income from cryptocurrency. So I think Munish sir can iterate better on this, what this workshop is all about. Munish sir, over to you.
Yeah. Basically, there are two ways in by which you can make money in life. One is active income, the other is passive income. Active income, we all work very hard to make that. This is passive income. How you can make passive income from cryptocurrency? You're only investing and you're making sure your crypto does the talking. You will be learning in this workshop on 10 plus ways to earn passive income. And the next one is this is on 26th of July. This is on 9th of July, which is day after tomorrow, on Saturday. If you want to attend this workshop, otherwise you have to pay 1,000 rupees, but this workshop will be complimentary for all of those who are joining these courses. How to build a winning portfolio on 9th of July. And this will include various things, the golden rules for building a good crypto portfolio, how to dig deep for the best coins, the most promising crypto categories. Just like in the share market, there are 11 categories. यदि हम शेयर मार्केट को देखते हैं तो 11 इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं, अलग अलग इंडस्ट्री में अलग अलग शेयर्स होते हैं. सेम इन क्रिप्टोज आल्सो देयर डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. on different categories में अलग अलग क्रिप्टोज होते हैं, like metaverse, like NFTs, like privacy, smart contracts, centralized. These the different categories. उन कैटेगरीज के कौन सी कैटेगरीज जो हैं जो इस साल क्लिक हो सकती हैं, उन कैटेगरीज में कौन से क्रिप्टोज हैं जहां आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. यू विल बी लर्निंग दैट. आवर सजेस्टिव टॉप 15 क्रिप्टोज, हम आपको अपना पोर्टफोलियो दिखाएंगे इस साल हम लोग अपने पोर्टफोलियो में कौन कौन से कॉइन्स लेके चल रहे हैं, हाउ वी गोइंग टू बैलेंस आवर पोर्टफोलियो, हाउ टू ट्रैक आवर पोर्टफोलियो, एंड हाउ टू मेक श्योर दैट इवन इफ द मार्केट इज नॉट डूइंग वेल, you are safe. It's your hard-earned money. Suppose the market gets bad, suppose the Russia-Ukraine war, it turns out to be third world war, even then you should learn how to make sure that you're able to survive in that kind of market. This is the workshop on 9th of July, and the next workshop will be on 23rd of July. On 23rd of July, you'll be telling about how to find coins below $1, right? इस समय क्रिप्टोज के प्राइस कम हो रहे हैं. जो 100 का था वो उसका एक जीरो कम हो गया, जो $1 का था उसका एक जीरो कम हो गया, जो $1,000 था उसका भी एक जीरो कम हो गया. अब रिवर्स की गिनती शुरू हो जाएगी, अब जीरो ऐड होना शुरू हो जाएगा, which means there are those cryptos which can give you 10x 100x returns in this year. हमें ऐसे कौन से क्रिप्टोज लगते हैं, you'll be finding that out on 23rd of July in this workshop. Again, all these workshops, like I mentioned, they're actually paid workshops, but for all of you it will be complimentary, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the workshops and then attending a full-fledged course next month. पूरा एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कोर्स है जो आप अटेंड कर सकते हो, जो आपको करना नहीं बताया, जिसमें इन्वेस्टिंग, ट्रेडिंग, and the things which I mentioned over there, how to use Binance, how to use WazirX, all those things are covered in the month of August, from 3rd of August to 21st of August.
All right, so all the workshops that I mentioned are complementary and additional to the extensive bootcamp course that I'm talking about for cryptocurrency. So if you fall under the category of first 10 enrollments, you will get all those workshops and these crazy ebooks absolutely for free. Now I'll be putting in the enrollment link in the chat box, so you all can click on the link and be the part of the first 10 enrollments and get all the additional benefits. So I think you all have the enrollment link in the chat box. You can click on the link, go to the website and enroll for this amazing bootcamp course. We already have a good community that is around us. So basically you get a very good community. So this is just a very small price that you have to pay. And like, this is a lifetime course. This is not just an 18 days bootcamp course. ये पूरा एक lifetime course है. Even after the course ends, as I mentioned, you will have access to Munish sir, and you will have access to the WhatsApp group and all the recordings that I'm sharing. Apart from that, we also do regular workshops, and we definitely invite you to all of those workshops, and we don't charge anything from you. So you can definitely click on the link and enroll for this amazing bootcamp course if you are interested. Apart from that, if you have any doubts, आपको कुछ भी पूछना है कि classes कब होंगी, कैसे होगा, जो भी, if you have any doubts, you can let me know right now. अगर आपको कुछ भी doubts है related to the bootcamp, you can let me know right now itself. Although all the classes are live and they are from 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., but still I'll be providing you with recordings of each and every class once the class is over, in case you are not able to attend any particular class. That's not an issue. Also, you can even pay through cryptocurrency. If you're already into crypto, you can even pay through cryptocurrency for this course. Right? So if you're interested, you can definitely click on the link, go to the website and enroll for this course. Manisha, let me know if I'm wrong. This is like just a very small amount. This is just peanuts that they have to invest in themselves. And if they if they genuinely attend this bootcamp course, they will definitely be able to recover this amount in a very short while.
No doubt about that. There is absolutely no doubt. But if you're planning to invest and trade and make money active and passive income, then obviously it's a very small amount because we are hand holding you. We want to make sure that you're safe and secure when you're investing and trading in the world of cryptocurrency. We want to make sure that you don't depend upon your friends, you don't depend upon your others. Professionally, you should learn how to fish yourself rather than depending upon somebody else. That is the purpose of this course. So we'll help you navigate that.
Right. So I've put the enrollment link in the chat box. You all can definitely enroll for this course. And the additional benefits are only for the first 10 enrollments. So make sure to enroll as soon as you can. Maybe you can also take a screenshot of this particular page and keep it with you if you want to refer to the schedule. And we'll now be moving on to the second half of the class where we'll be learning about the cakes framework, and we'll be understanding how to do fundamental analysis. And we'll also be seeing some websites where you can analyze your coins. As soon as you do the payments, what you can do is you can confirm me in the chat box, and I'll confirm your payments and your enrollments in the chat box itself. Also, as soon as you enroll, I'll add you to the WhatsApp group, and also I'll be sharing you with the welcome kit, which will include the ebooks and the VIP passes of all the workshops. So you can enroll for this course and let me know in the chat box, and I'll confirm your payments. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Kana, for that. And let's take it forward from here. I'm sharing my screen now. Please let me know once you can see my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Cryptocurrency gives you independence and flexibility. Right? It's a 24/7 market. You can choose your trading window. Like I mentioned right in the beginning, 3 markets. जैसे अब US market active हो जाएगा रात को मस्त. It's one of the best markets to make money nowadays. Sometimes the London market is also very active, and my favorite market is the Asia Pacific market because normally positive रहता है. Yeah, because except for the Evergrande crisis जो चाइना में हुआ था last year, most of the time the Asia Pacific market usually positive रहता है. US और London market कभी-कभी गड़बड़ करते हैं, right? And I told you about US already. When the US market sneezes, the rest of the world catches a fever, right? So it's a 24/7 market. Sundays the volume is very less. यदि आप ट्रेडिंग करते हैं तो कभी भी संडे को हिसाब से आप आगे मंडे ट्यूसडे का प्लानिंग मत करो, क्योंकि संडे को मार्केट कंफ्यूज होती है, वॉल्यूम कम होता है, तो इट बिकम्स मिसलीडिंग. सो स्पेशली संडेज एंड अगेन हॉलीडेज लाइक स्पेशली इन यूएस के जो हॉलीडेज होते हैं और चाइना के हॉलीडेज हो गए, जैसे चाइनीज न्यू ईयर हो गया, क्रिसमस हो गया, दीज हॉलीडेज दे प्ले अ मेजर रोल, राइट? So let's talk about cakes. Before talking about cakes, I want to show you some venture capital firms in the world. If you see on the right hand side, I mean, where I'm over here, Tiger Global, Secure, SoftBank, Hashed, BlackRock, Polychain Capital, these are all venture capitals. These are big investors, including Anderson Horowitz. They are investing into blockchain, cryptocurrency projects big time. और आज नहीं कर रहे, वो तब कर रहे हैं जब क्रिप्टो का प्राइस आज से कुछ ज्यादा था. फॉर एग्जांपल पॉलीगन, दे इन्वेस्टेड इन 7 फरवरी, व्हिच आई थिंक उस समय पॉलीगन का प्राइस $1 के आसपास था, आज 50 सेंट्स है, आज इसका आधा हो गया. डू यू थिंक दीज प्लेयर्स हु हैव इन्वेस्टेड $450 million या $350 million इन नियर, या सोलाना में $314 million और FTX में $420 million, do you think that they've just invested for a short period of time? What do you think in the chat box? इन सब प्लेयर्स ने इन प्रोजेक्ट्स में इन्वेस्ट किया है, तो क्या सोच के उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया? उन्होंने उस समय इन्वेस्ट किया जहां प्राइसेस अब से कम 25% प्राइस ज्यादा था. What do you think is their horizon? Long term. That's right, Santosh. Definitely not. Yeah. Long term. The same thing you need to understand. Cryptocurrency is a market. It's not a quick money making scheme. Yes, पैसा आप जल्दी बना सकते हो, बट यदि आपने लॉन्ग टर्म में असली पैसा बनाना है, डिजिटल वेल्थ बनाना, like I just showed you the returns, 222 coins, how many coins have given 200% return, 500% return, 1000% return? It is cryptocurrency. And that's the reason why these companies, these projects, and these cryptos have attracted the attention of these investors, which you can see on the right? And how do you identify such coins? What I'll do, I'll play one video of last year. Last year, we हम लोगों ने around month of May, we have done a workshop how to find coins below $1. So I'm just playing part of that workshop now. So हमने last year Matic suggest किया था, हमने last year Zilliqa suggest किया था, we suggested Dogecoin, we suggested VeChain, we suggested ADA. Coins last year जो $1 के नीचे थे, and they did very well last year. This year also we will be doing the same workshop with you, which I just shared with you. So in this workshop हम लोगों ने from CoinGecko.com you can find out the top coins. So like I told you, Bakery Soap is doing fantastic. Then Polygon Matic. So we already have Matic as a coin which is there, is doing. So I'll just take it a bit forward. So here I'm telling everybody how to search for coins, how to analyze coins, which is the criteria by which you can search and analyze coins. So let's start from here. If you're investing $1,000, only 5% of your investment. This is our recommendation. Again, if you want to invest more, you can do that. Here you can see two meme coins, which I've also been looking into. One is the Shiba Inu, and the other one is the Akita Inu. Then there's also VNDC, but the returns are not very attractive. 7-day, 2.6%. So I'll not really go there. So let's start with Shiba Inu. Let's click on Shiba Inu. So the value of Shiba Inu is, well, it's 0.000175. So this is very, very, very less. So even if the volume is 60 million. So even if it doubles, 10 times it does, you can pretty well imagine what the price is going to be, right? So let's see the website. How will I do? I will click on the website shibatoken.com. You go to the website, the Shiba Dogecoin. Then you can scroll down and you can check out more about the ecosystem, right? And Gecko also. Again, contact me and maybe I can help you to buy this coin. Are they active on Twitter? How many followers are there on Twitter? So we can see that they have 54,000 followers right now. So not bad, as long as it's increasing. So maybe on a regular basis, I'll see how many followers they're doing. And also I'll also look into the Telegram channel. How many people are there on Telegram? So they're working on leash token art contest. The names they have come, my word. Leash token, the bones, and the wolf paper. It's all innovation. It's all innovation, right? And then I can scroll down. I've got an idea of the community, how many followers they are. I've got the idea of the website. And then again, I can come over here. I can see the returns last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 14 days, last 30 days. What has been the return? Then I can see I'll click on trading view to get the graphic view. And over here, I can see the all-time high is 413, right? 413 is the all-time high, and the current price is 175. So that means if I buy it now, I'm actually buying on the dips, right? So there's a chance that obviously this price is going to increase over the next period of time, maybe 1 month, 3 months, or even before. So right now I'm not buying at the peak. So if I look at the graph over here, the candles over here, the peak has been maybe somewhere over here, or maybe again, when you're looking at the graphics, always go for the daily candle. That will give you a better idea. So let's look at the daily. So you can clearly see that only in the initial period when it was launched, the price was as high as 1197. But right now the price, but there's a lot of scope. There's a lot of scope for the price to go up again. So even if it goes 10 times, even if it goes 20 times, your money. I'll just stop it here. Will grow. Point is, this is how we analyze. This is a complete workshop which we do analysis on that. Now let's look at Shiba Inu today. So that time Shiba Inu on Twitter, they I think had 54,000 followers, right? Yeah, somewhere over here. Let's see how many followers do they have right now, and what is the price right now. So last time they had price of 175, and let's go to the website now, and just opening my website. So we'll go straight away to coinmarketcap.com. Here we go, and let's search Shiba Inu over here. SHIB Shiba Inu. It's ranked number 14. So it's a large cap. It's a large cap because it's among the top 15 coins. Community, go to Twitter. So right now they have 3.4 million followers. Last year, how many followers they had when we did that workshop? 54,000. Now they have 3.4, and the price right now is 1,057. Even now, देखो price कितना बड़ा है. अभी भी यदि हम last year से compare करते हैं, जब price सिर्फ 175 था, आज ये 1,057. That's the reason why हमारे portfolio में it is the second highest performer last year because of the return. How do you identify those coins? We'll be doing that in the workshop. I'll give you some example. अभी मैंने आपको थोड़ा सा दिखाया था कैसे हमने last year. So we'll be doing that again in this month in the workshop, and all of you who are joining our bootcamp, you're welcome to attend it. So C stands for community. जो हम केक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, C stands for community. A stands for attributes. Attributes मतलब वो coin करता क्या है? जैसे Polygon क्या करता है? Polygon works as a layer 2 crypto. So what does that coin do? What does that coin do? That is, A stands for attributes. K stands for know the founders. Who are the people behind the project? Like Sandeep Nilwal. Maybe I can check out on LinkedIn and I can find more about Sandeep Nilwal. What is his background? What is his experience? All those things. And again, सारे details जो है आपको LinkedIn में यहाँ मिल जाएंगे. Similarly, maybe I can follow Sandeep Nilwal on Twitter. कितने इनके followers हैं? क्या active हैं Twitter पे? So yes, so not bad. I mean, for individual, he has 177,000 followers. Right? These are his followers, and he's relatively quite active on Twitter also. So know the founders. K stands for know the founders. C stands for community. A stands for attributes. K stands for know the founders. E stands for estimates. When I talk about estimates, there are a number of things like market cap कितना है उसका, all time high कितना था. All time high, if you want to see the all time high of all the coins in one place, you can go to Coin Paprika and go to all time high over here, and here you can see कि coin का all time high क्या था, इस समय वो अपने all time से कितना दूर है, कितना percentage all time high से दूर है, कब उसका all time high था. यदि इस समय काफी नीचे है तो maybe this is the time to enter the market. यदि वो fundamentally strong crypto है, all time high, the rank, the performance. So you can go to return rates. The return last 7 days, last 30 days, last 1 quarter, last 1 year. Look at the past returns. All these are estimates. And before I move on to the next S, I want to show you one more thing. If I go to coinmarketcap.com, suppose I launch a coin, right? I launch a coin, but उस coin का 80% जो supply है वो मैं अपने पास रखता हूँ. I launch a coin, but I keep 80% of that coin with myself only. मतलब market में सिर्फ 20% उसका supply है, right? Circulating supply है. Will you be interested to invest in that coin if in the market there is only 20% supply? Yes or no? Have in the chat box, please. Deep is saying no. Okay. Why not Deep? आप क्यों नहीं interested हो? ऐसे क्या गुना मैंने कर दिया कि आप ले नहीं रहे? Jilani is also saying no. Krishnan also saying no. So no one is going to buy my coin. Should I share market? Oh, Santosh, finally somebody is there to buy my coin. Okay. Yeah, owner can manipulate. That's right. There's something called wash the trade. So all of you are right. Those of you said basically no. There's something called wash the trade. Wash the trade means I can pump the coin. क्योंकि मेरे पास supply है, मैं खेल सकता हूँ, मैं pump कर सकता हूँ, मैं dump कर सकता हूँ. I can manipulate the prices because the supply is with me. So S of cakes stand for supply. कितना percentage supply उसका market में already है. So if I look at Bitcoin has more than 90% supply. 21 million में से 19 million already issue हो चुका है. Only 2 million is left. If I talk about BNB, 98% supply is already there. If I talk about Avalanche, 39%, थोड़ा कम है. Minimum 50% supply होना चाहिए. Polygon has 80% supply. So at least 50% supply should be there in the market, right? So S stands for supply. Another C, besides community, is calendar. So if you go to CoinMarket, not cap, CoinMarketCap को cal कर दो, coinmarketcal.com. On this website, you will get some events which are scheduled for the next 1 month and 2 months. ये वो events हैं जिससे उस cryptocurrency के prices पे फर्क पड़ सकता है. For example, crypto.com, it is working, it's sponsoring the World Cup. जो कतर का World Cup हो रहा है वो उसको sponsor कर रहा है, right? The World Cup is happening, the football World Cup. So it's an event. Normally वो सब announcement जो है आपको यहाँ पे नजर आ सकते हैं कि क्या क्या आगे फ्यूचर में हो. Token burn मतलब अपने सप्लाई को रिड्यूस कर रहा है. लिस्टिंग, Huobi Global is one of the world's biggest exchanges. ये अपने आप को लिस्ट कर रहा है. All these events are going to pump up the price at least for the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks. ये न्यूज आई है मार्केट में, जैसे शेयर मार्केट में होता है, ये न्यूज आई है तो उस न्यूज से उस क्रिप्टो की वैल्यू जो है बढ़ सकते हैं. दिस इज वन ऑफ द वेबसाइट्स. AMS मींस आस्क मी एनीथिंग. टेलीग्राम में दे आर डूइंग एन आस्क मी एनीथिंग जहां पे आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो. यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस अबाउट दैट प्रोजेक्ट, राइट? So these events, these things, you can check it out on coinmarketcal.com. And now we move on to the next part of today's presentation. I want to ask you a question. Suppose you have 20 lakhs of crypto. आपको मालूम है कि अगले 2 साल, अगले 3 साल में क्रिप्टो का वैल्यू बढ़ेगा. You might be a long-term investor. Long-term means you are more than 3 years invested into cryptocurrency. Like we are investing into cryptocurrency last 7 years. Medium-term means 1 to 3 year investment, and less than 1 year is a short-term investor. I repeat, above 3 years, long-term investor. 1 to 3 years is a medium-term investor, and less than 1 year is a short-term investor. सपोज आपने 20 लाख का क्रिप्टो है और आप उसको बेचना नहीं चाहते, बट आपके घर में कोई अर्जेंट रिक्वायरमेंट में, there's a marriage in your house और आपको पैसा चाहिए. Do you think any bank in India will give you a loan against your cryptocurrency? यदि आपको 20 लाख का क्रिप्टो पड़ा है, तो क्या इंडिया में कोई बैंक आपको 20 लाख के अगेंस्ट लोन देगा? Yes or no? Deep is fast. No. Okay. What about the others? क्या आपको 20 लाख के अगेंस्ट, आपको क्रिप्टो है तो क्रिप्टो अगेंस्ट क्या आपको इंडिया में लोन मिलेगा? NI3 is saying no. At present, no. That's right. At present, that's a good word you used. Jilani, Krishna. So most of you, I think, will say it is no. It's true. In India, it is still not possible. But yes, in the near future, it is definitely possible. Yeah. In the near future, it is definitely possible. But on DeFi, DeFi stands for decentralized finance. They are tokens. Remember? Cryptocurrency और token का difference. These are tokens which are built on Ethereum, जहाँ पे आप लोन ले सकते हो, जहाँ पे आप अपना फाइनेंशियल एसेट बना सकते हो, जहाँ पे आप क्रिप्टो को लेंड कर सकते हो. सपोज आपका क्रिप्टो है, आप आगे उसको, आप उसके अगेंस्ट आप इनकम कमा सकते हो, जिसे बोलते हैं पैसिव इनकम. So using your crypto, you can borrow money, you can hold your money, you can create your financial assets without trading. आपको ट्रेडिंग करने का टाइम नहीं है. By simple investing, by working on DeFi platform, you can do something called yield farming. आप yield farming कर सकते हैं. That is how it basically works. So what is DeFi? DeFi stands for decentralized finance. So decentralized finance means digital assets, financial contracts, protocols, and decentralized applications, which are usually built on Ethereum. And the idea is you can take a crypto loan. Crypto आपका collateral हो जाता है. Your crypto is your collateral. Against that, you can obtain crypto loans. You deposit your fiat currency, and then you get the returns, and then you return it back. That's how basically the DeFi platform works. Also, there's one more thing which you can do. You can simply hold your crypto and earn passive income. पैसिव इनकम वो इनकम होता है जब आप सो भी रहे हो तो या अपने हॉलिडे एंजॉय करो. समर वेकेशन आ गया, यू एंजॉयिंग योर हॉलिडेज, इवन देन यू आर अर्निंग मनी. दिस इज एक्टिव इनकम, जो हम सब लोग बहुत घोड़ा गधा क्या कहते हैं, मजदूरी करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट वी एक्चुअली डू. बट दिस इज पैसिव इनकम. हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे लेकिन किराया आ रहा है. हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे, हमारे पास इनकम आ रही है. कुछ नहीं कर रहे, हमारे पास रेफरल इनकम आ रही है. हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे, हमें इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है. दैट इज पैसिव इनकम. सिमिलर, बट क्रिप्टो से भी you can earn passive income. And what is that passive income? Like staking. What is staking? Staking means, suppose you have Ethereum. You don't want to sell your Ethereum. You want to hold your Ethereum. Instead of holding it on the trading platform, you hold it by holding it on platform like Signum Bank, on a centralized institution. When you're holding your crypto, or you're holding on Binance, or you're holding on CoinDCX, or you're holding on the website itself, or you're holding on your hardware wallet, you're earning 6% to 20% return. यानी कि आप क्रिप्टो बेच नहीं रहे, आप ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन क्रिप्टो से क्रिप्टो आपका बन रहा है. इस समय क्रिप्टो का वैल्यू कम है, इसलिए क्रिप्टो आपको ज्यादा मिलेगा, क्योंकि आपको 6% से 20% के हिसाब से आपको वैल्यू बढ़ेगा. उतने आपको क्रिप्टो और इतने ऐड हो जाएंगे. और जब 1 साल के बाद, 2 साल के बाद जब आपका कॉर्पस बढ़ेगा, आपका पूरा क्रिप्टो का वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगा. आई रिपीट, टुडे द वैल्यू ऑफ क्रिप्टो इज लेस. You will be getting 6% in terms of number of Ethereum, number of cryptos. 620% in terms of number of cryptos. वो पूरा नंबर आपका कॉर्पस बढ़ाएगा. आपका नंबर क्यों बढ़ेगा? क्योंकि क्रिप्टो का प्राइस कम है. जब आप क्रिप्टो का आपका अमाउंट जब बढ़ जाएगा, आपका पूरे अमाउंट जो आपका कॉर्पस क्रिएट हुआ, आपका ओवरऑल जो डिजिटल वेल्थ है वो क्रिएट होती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टेकिंग. यू आर होल्डिंग योर क्रिप्टो इन डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स, and you're holding your crypto, your value is increasing. Last year, $342 billion was the global staked value, which means people did not sell the crypto. They are only holding the crypto because this is giving them passive income. And long term में जितना क्रिप्टो ज्यादा होल्ड होता है, उतने ज्यादा उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ती है, क्योंकि उतना सप्लाई कम हो जाता है. इफ आई एम होल्डिंग क्रिप्टो, दैट मींस मार्केट में वो सप्लाई नहीं है. सप्लाई कम होगा तो उसका वैल्यू लॉन्ग टर्म में बढ़ेगा. So that is what basically staking, that is what passive income is all about. So in this, I already told you about how you can make money by investment. You will learn how to make money in the bootcamp by trading. You will learn how by lending. You will learn by liquidity pools and yield farming. You will learn by staking and how you can get free cryptos. Regarding trading also, there are 3 ways by which you can make money. What are those? I'll just show you how we look at the charts now. So if I go to tradingview.com, let me show you which are the 3 ways by which you can make money from crypto by trading. So let me just see. Today the market is doing, storage is number 1. Remember storage? What is storage? Decentralized storage, Web 3.0. It is up by 11% today. So let me see which crypto. Let me take Ethereum. So हम लोग Ethereum पे जाते हैं. Let me search over here Ethereum. ETH USDT Binance TradingView.com. So in this course, you'll be learning how you can understand the charts, the various indicators, and the price action patterns. So if I look at Ethereum, there are 3 ways by which you can make money. One is you can make money by looking at the bigger picture. You look at the monthly. यहाँ पे candles होते हैं. Green candle मतलब prices are increasing. Red candle मतलब prices are decreasing. You can make money by positional trading. Positional trading is when you're looking at the monthly chart. The monthly chart. Yeah. So this is a bigger picture. You're making money over 45 days. You're making money over 45 days. That is known as positional trading. Number 2 is day trading. Day trading is when you are making money on a daily basis. 48 hours में आप अपना trade को close कर रहे हो. I repeat, in 48 hours you are closing your trade. That is called day trading. And number 3, which is the most popular, चाहे market ऊपर हो नीचे हो, आप दिन में 2 बार उस क्रिप्टो को बाय भी कर सकते हो, उस क्रिप्टो को शॉर्ट सेलिंग भी कर सकते हो, which you learn in the course is known as scalping. You go to the 1 hour chart. जैसे अभी जो है प्राइस अच्छा बड़ा है. Let's see last 5 minutes में कैसे हुआ. लास्ट पिछले 5 मिनट आप देखोगे तो again US market is quite positive right now. So if I go to coin360.com, let me see last coin360.com. Website ये slow है because इसमें mix काफी है. Yeah. So yeah, so it's really good. So Ethereum has crossed $1,200. 5% cross कर दिया. Bitcoin is right now 4%. So this shows the old picture. But again, ये पिछले ये एक दिन का पिक्चर है. Let's see last 1 hour. लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे 1 hour देखता हूँ. तो last 1 hour में क्या हो रहा है? तो ट्रेडिंग में मैं हम स्कैन करेंगे तो हमें 1 घंटे का देखना है, 5 मिनट का देखना है. हम 1 घंटे से कम 1% कमाना है. When you're trading, when you're scalping, our target is to make at least 1% in just 4 hours. If you're making 1% even every day, in month you're making at least 30% every month. और यदि आप मंथ बना रहे हो साल में आप 200 से 300% बना रहे हो. और यदि आप साल में 200 से 300% बना रहे हो तो आपको 30% टैक्स में परेशानी होगी. There is a return which you can make from cryptocurrency. That's all the things are how to look at the charts, different frameworks, combinations and permutations. Let me show you once again. These are different ways by which you can make money by cryptocurrency. Airdrop होते हैं free cryptos. How you can get free cryptos? That is what airdrops are all about. And well, the boat is gone. It's transformed into a big ship. Don't miss the ship. And a year from now, you will wish that you had started it. This is a time to enter the market. This is a time to invest risk-free. You're getting very good prices. The market is giving you very good discounts. Enter the market now. Invest the right way. And above all, invest in yourself. Investing in yourself will pay the best interest. So if you invest in yourself, it will always give you return in the long run. हमेशा आपको return मिलेगा, right? So there we are. That was today's presentation. I hope you found the presentation useful and you were able to. I'm sorry, my video was. And I hope you were able to get further mileage and traction from what we have covered so far, right? So thank you so much for having me. And over to you, Kana.
Yeah, sir. Thank you so much for such a wonderful session. I think towards the end, the voice was breaking a little bit. Yeah, so now we'll quickly move on to the Q&A session. And if you have any doubts, you can definitely ask. Before that, I would like to update you all that I already have five enrollments for the bootcamp course, and only 5 slots are left for the additional benefits. Also, some of you are having issues in the payment. So what I'll do is I'll put my WhatsApp number in the chat box. You can simply send me a screenshot of the payment or whatever issue you are facing in enrolling for this course, and you can let me know and we can definitely solve your issues out. Apart from that, only 5 slots are left for the additional benefits. So if you want to enroll for the bootcamp course, you can definitely enroll for it and by clicking on the link that I've put in the chat box once again. So now we'll be having the Q&A session, and if any one of you has any doubts related to the content we have covered, or maybe related to the bootcamp, or maybe related to something else from out of the bootcamp, you can definitely raise your hand and I'll give you an option to unmute, and you can directly ask a question from Munish sir. So Deep has a question. I'll give you an option to unmute. You can unmute yourself and ask it out directly from Munish sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Deep.
Yeah, so it was a wonderful session, I would say. Sir, my
Thank you so much.
question is related to metaverse. So, sir, since it is going to be big as the whole news, news are coming that the metaverse is going to be the next big thing, which is again working on the blockchain. So, sir, are we going to cover something in the bootcamp related to metaverse?
Well, for metaverse, we have a different workshop. The NFT course is there. Metaverse is there, and you want to attend it. We can. So, are you? Have you joined the course?
No. Not yet, sir. Not yet.
Okay, so if you are joining Deep and you are interested to learn more about the metaverse, we'll make the metaverse workshop complimentary for you. Right? Otherwise, that workshop is for those who are the NFT students. So it's because you asked, being a teacher, I will not say that no, आपके लिए नहीं है, वो NFT students के लिए है. So it's for you also. If you're joining the course, you can attend the metaverse workshop also. And I think we have it scheduled this month also. Kana, do you have the dates?
On 13th and 15th July, sir.
Yeah, so 13 and 15 July. So 13 15 July को हमारा metaverse का 2-day का workshop है. It's otherwise priced 1,500 rupees, but Deep, for you it will be complimentary.
Okay, so now we have another benefit. If you enroll for this bootcamp course, you will get the metaverse workshop also complimentary. That is on 13 and 15 July, and we'll be covering variety of topics in that workshop. All that workshop is for our NFT students, but we'll be giving it to you as well. So if you're interested, you can definitely enroll for this bootcamp course and get the metaverse workshop absolutely for free.
That's right. And this is the first time we are actually offering the NFT workshop to our crypto students. So everybody should thank Deep for that. क्योंकि Deep ने पूछा है और हमने Deep का कहना मान लिया. By the way, Deep आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from?
Sir, Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Okay, wonderful. City beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So in fact, I'll just show you the contents also of the metaverse workshop, which is going to happen. Just give me a minute. Here we go. Here we go. For us, teaching our student is the most important thing, right? We want to grow the community. We have taught more than 8,000 students in India. And here is the metaverse workshop. So what are we going to cover in this metaverse workshop? Here we go. Because we also offer consultation on metaverse and NFTs. What is metaverse, NFTs and the metaverse, layers of metaverse, technology behind metaverse, metaverse tokens, metaverse gamify, metaverse DeFi, metaverse Web 3.0, investing in the metaverse and making money from the metaverse. It will be a 2-day workshop. And like I told you, the workshop fees is 1,500 rupees. But yes, for those who are joining today, especially Deep, it is complimentary for you. Right. All right.
Wonderful. So I think this is the first time we're actually making this workshop complimentary for those who want to enroll for the cryptocurrency bootcamp.
We like demanding students. Knowledge चाहिए, knowledge चाहिए. Why not? Please, you're most welcome. जहाँ ज्ञान बट रहा हो आप आ जाओ, right?
Great. So Deep, you can enroll for this course and you will get the cryptocurrency bootcamp in entirety. Apart from that, you will get all the workshops that I mentioned earlier, including the passive income workshop and the portfolio workshop. And now you'll also get the metaverse workshop absolutely for free. So you can enroll if you're interested, and we can take the next question. I hope that clarifies your doubt, Deep. And the next question, I think Shubhajit has a question. We'll give you an option to unmute.
If you could put your video on, it will be really great. Can you please start put your video on?
Good evening. Good evening,
I can't see a lot
sir.
of people on video.
Hi, good evening. Yeah, please. Please
Actually, I don't have any experience in the stock market or the financial instrument trading, but I have heard a lot about cryptocurrencies. Lots of my friends in investing and trading in cryptocurrency. In this workshop, I have attended from the beginning, but I can't understand how the cryptocurrency works and how I will get the money and I will income some money from the cryptocurrency as my passive income, not the active income, and as a job.
Passive income is a 2-hour workshop. So if you're joining this course, first you don't have to depend upon your friends. With all due regards, I'm very happy to see that your friends are into crypto. You yourself will be very independent. You will learn. You'll get a hands-on experience how to invest, how to trade, how to earn passive income. And again, I think we're also talking about metaverse also here. All these things you will be learning from Saturday, because Saturday hum log we're doing the portfolio workshop. So Saturday also you'll learn which are the cryptos, which are the categories which you can invest, and trading, passive income also. Those workshops are also this month only. So there's huge lot of things to learn, and I'm sure it will help you to make money from all the various avenues. We show you real experience. We do live classes. हम लोग recorded classes में सिर्फ walk through दिखाते हैं, like WazirX का walk through या Binance का walk through. Most of the classes जहाँ पे it's very important, we do live classes, right?
So apart from that, जो सारी portfolio workshop होती है, I think we do that regularly also, like to keep everyone updated with the portfolios that we are doing.
That's right. Yeah.
Right. So the portfolio workshop that we are going to have day after tomorrow, it's a regular workshop. We keep on doing it regular intervals so that you all are updated with what are the good potential coins in the market right now and how you can build your strong like personal portfolio. So I hope that clarifies your doubt, Subhajit. I think we can move on to the next question by Santosh. I think Santosh has a question. They are raising their hand. Yes, sir. I've given you an option to unmute. Wonderful.
Hello, sir.
Hi, sir. How are you doing?
Fine.
Yes, Mr. Deshmukh, please ask.
Sir, actually, I use a Hindi language. Is it okay?
हाँ, प्लीज हिंदी बोलिए ना, पूछिए.
सर एक्चुअली एज अ क्रिप्टो मैं तो शेयर मार्केट में थोड़ा सा ट्रेड करता हूँ फिलहाल. तो एज अ क्रिप्टो इंडिया में ये तो इतना अभी ये सेक्टर डेवलप नहीं है, तो उसका फ्यूचर में देखना चाहता हूँ कि अगर इसमें डेली लाइफ में कॉमन पर्सन में इसका यूज कैसे होगा, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा विजुअलाइजेशन नहीं आ रहा है कि मतलब ये यूज कैसे होते हैं. वैसे तो ट्रांजैक्शन आपने बताया बैंक में होगा, ये ठीक है, बट इसके गेमिंग में होगा, इट्स ओके, बट इसके आगे जाके ऑटो सेक्टर या जो डेवलपिंग सेक्टर है इधर कैसे यूज होगा, इसका मतलब क्या बोलेंगे, इंटीग्रिटी कितना है एज ए क्रिप्टो, वो थोड़ा सा विजुअलाइज नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. ऐसा है.
ओके, मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ. आपका फेसबुक में अकाउंट है?
हाँ, यस.
कब खोला आपने फेसबुक में अकाउंट?
इन 2007. हाँ, या 7.
2007 में आपने खोला, लेकिन फेसबुक जो है वो 2001-2002 में स्टार्ट हो गया था.
हाँ,
टाइम
यस,
लगा, 5-6 साल आपको लगा, लेकिन आज आई थिंक फेसबुक में सबका अकाउंट है. इंस्टाग्राम में भी आप होंगे एक्टिव?
या.
बट आई वांट टू से कि ये सब टेक्नोलॉजी जब एक टाइम लगता है. ब्लॉकचेन शुरू हुआ था 2009 में, डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड एप्लीकेशंस शुरू हुआ था 2013-2016 में भी. इथेरियम का प्राइस सिर्फ $1 था, आज आपके सामने ये $1200 को क्रॉस कर रहा है, राइट? ये सब टेक्नोलॉजीज वो हैं जहां पे इन एप्लीकेशंस को यूज किया जाता है. टू सम एक्सटेंट आप ठीक हो, इनका हम लोग डेली लाइफ में इतना यूज नहीं करते, बट दे आर थिंग्स लाइक जीएमटी. जीएमटी एक ऐसा टोकन है, व्हेन यू आर जॉगिंग यू कैन अर्न क्रिप्टोकरेंसी. स्टोरेज एक ऐसा कॉइन है, जब अपने डेटा को आप स्टोर कर रहे हो, एक तो आपका डेटा जो है वो डिसेंट्रलाइज स्टोरेज हो रहा है, यू आर अर्निंग क्रिप्टोकरेंसी. देन यदि आप एक्सीडेंटली पे आप गेम खेल रहे हो, यू आर अर्निंग क्रिप्टोकरेंसी. धीरे धीरे बैंकिंग जो है वो भी इस फील्ड में आ जाएगा. जैसे कुछ फिनटेक कॉइन्स है, आपने शायद रिपल का नाम सुना होगा, एक्सर्प्ट, स्टेलर लूमेंस का नाम सुना होगा. कुछ कंट्रीज आज के डेट में जो अपना करेंसी निकालना चाहती हैं वो स्टेलर लूमेंस के साथ काम कर रही हैं, राइट? जैसे यूक्रेन हो गया, आई थिंक अर्जेंटीना आल्सो दे आर वर्किंग विद स्टेलर लूमेंस, अपना कॉइन निकालना चाहते हैं. सो दीज आर प्रोजेक्ट्स जहां पे बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी जिनका मैंने आपको नाम बताया वो इनके साथ काम करिए. हमारे रेगुलर लाइफ में शायद यूज अभी भी कम है, बट अगेन थीटा टीवी आने वाले टाइम में जब आप थीटा टीवी डाउनलोड करो, जैसे हम लोग नेटफ्लिक्स देखते हैं या यूट्यूब देखते हैं, जब हम थीटा टीवी पे यूज करेंगे तो उस पर हमें क्रिप्टो मिलेगा. सो दैट्स बेसिकली द आइडिया ऑफ यूजिंग. आई वोंट से अभी नहीं, बट डेफिनेटली अगले 5 से 10 साल में, जैसे आप फेसबुक यूज कर रहे हो, इंस्टाग्राम यूज कर रहे हो, या गूगल पे आप सर्च करते हो, या ईमेल यूज कर रहे हो, अगले 5 से 10 साल में यू विल गेट मोर एक्टिव ऑन मेटावर्स, यू विल गेट मोर एक्टिव ऑन एनएफटीज, यू विल गेट मोर एक्टिव इन ऑल दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच आई मेंशन. आप इन सब चीजों पे, आप इस पे भी आप एक्टिव हो जाओगे. शुरुआत होगी है, लेकिन जितना आप लेट जाओगे उतना गाड़ी निकल जाएगी. जिन लोगों ने स्टार्टिंग में बिटकॉइन इन्वेस्ट किया, इथेरियम में इन्वेस्ट किया, या फेसबुक में, एप्पल में, नेटफ्लिक्स में या गूगल में इन्वेस्ट किया, उन सब लोगों ने बहुत पैसा किया. लाइक आई मेंशन, देयर आर 3 काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड. नंबर 1 आर दोज हु मेक थिंग्स हैपन. वो लोग वो बनाते हैं जो देखते हैं कि समय क्या चल रहा है, क्या ट्रेंड है, उस ट्रेंड को पकड़ लेते हैं, उसके बाद फिर वो रुकते नहीं है. चैलेंजेस ज्यादा मिलेंगे क्योंकि नई टेक्नोलॉजी है, नया इनोवेशन है, टेक्नोलॉजी मिलेगा, चैलेंजेस होंगे, कुछ रुकावट आएगा, कुछ स्पीड ब्रेकर आएगा, बट एंड ऑफ द डे द रिजल्ट इज वेरी स्वीट।
एक्चुअली सर मैंने एक बात शेयर करना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने बिटकॉइन में इन्वेस्ट किया था। आई सीन बिटकॉइन व्हेन इट वाज 47K इन इंडिया, 45K 47K। That time I invested 25K. I multiply to 1 lakh also. First time that 11,000 जो बिटकॉइन का प्राइस गया था, तभी का जो सीन था, एक स्पाइक दिया था बिटकॉइन ने सबसे बड़ा, फर्स्ट स्पाइक, तभी मैंने वो 1 लाख किया भी था, बट आई वाज न्यू इन मार्केट, सो आई लॉस्ट दैट मनी आल्सो। आई इन्वेस्टेड इन अल्ट कॉइंस, देन if I kept that na, that will be better for today also.
That is true. That's what I'm thinking. If you do a course, you'll be able to learn in a better way. जब आप ये कोर्स करोगे, आप कैटेगरीज देखोगे, पोर्टफोलियो देखोगे, हमारा पोर्टफोलियो देखोगे, अपना पोर्टफोलियो देखोगे, कहाँ आप शायद बेटर कर सकते हो। मे बी वी कैन हेल्प यू टू हेल्प यू टू बैलेंस योर पोर्टफोलियो। हो सकता है कि ड्यूरिंग दिस बूट कैंप हम आपके पोर्टफोलियो हेल्प कर सकें, आप कैसे शॉर्ट टर्म में पैसा कमा सकते हो, ऑल दो थिंग्स मे बी वी कैन हेल्प यू। बिकॉज जैसे आपने बिटकॉइन देखा है मे बी अराउंड 45,000, हमने बिटकॉइन देखा जब वो इंडिया में 10,000 रुपीज पे था, राइट? सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन दैट। सो मे बी आवर एक्सपीरियंस कैन हेल्प यू टू further and make you understand how this can basically go, right?
Okay, thank you.
So hope that answers your question. If anyone else has any doubts, you can raise your hand. I'll give you an option to unmute. उसके अलावा अगर किसी को chat में भी पूछना है, so I think we can take one last question for today because we are already.
And one more thing I want to add, those of you who are joining our classes, main class हमारा English में होगा, तो main class will be in English, but we'll keep helping you in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, and Marathi. These are the languages which we support in India. So in case you want additional language support and you want to talk to any of our teachers, because there are 3 teachers in this course and they are comfortable in these languages which I mentioned. So you get that language support also, which I just mentioned.
So that's again wonderful. Even if you want to know some concepts in your regional language, we have language support as well. And as sir mentioned, all the languages, you can definitely get your queries resolved in those languages too. Although the course is basically followed in Hindi and English. Apart from that, if you want some assistance in your regional language as well, we provide that as well. So you can definitely enroll for this course. If any one of you has any doubts, you can let us know right now. We can take one last doubt for the today, for the evening today, because your anyway is running out of time. All right, so if we do not have any doubts, I think we can sign off, sir. I'll proceed with the class and inform them about the certificates. So Krishna is asking what is S in cakes. Krishna, I'll just put the entire full form of cakes in the chat box. Give me 1 minute. Here you can find the entire what does each terms mean in cakes, so you can follow it. So sir, Sundar is asking what is Bitcoin mining?
Bitcoin mining is basically when you are investing into hardware to mint Bitcoin yourself. Like we have students who are mining Bitcoin, Ethereum, then another one is HNT, Zen. कुछ cryptos जिनका mining भी होता है. During this course, we will give you a synopsis if you want. Maybe we'll ask one of our students to do a presentation. But we have a separate course. हमारा एक separate course है जिसमें 8 classes जब हम सिर्फ mining का course रखा है. तो यदि आप सिर्फ mining में interested है, then you can join that course. Otherwise, in this course also, we'll do a synopsis. We'll invite one of our students जिनका अपना mining firm है North India में. वो आपके साथ share करेंगे कि कैसे वो चला रहे हैं, कैसे he is making money even now when basically the mining costs have actually increased right now. So we'll definitely do that if you want. But that's on demand. That's on demand. If any student wants on demand कि वो mining के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, then we can invite our students. He can do a 15 to 20 minute presentation. Otherwise, आप serious हैं, you want to invest 5 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees in your own mining setup, then I would suggest you to join our mining course, which is a 1-to-1 course, which you can get in touch with Kana, and I'll share the details with Kana how you can join our mining course, right?
Definitely. So what I can do is I can again put my personal contact number in the chat box. If any one of you are interested in any sort of courses, and if you want to join our community, basically, you can let me know. And also, apart from this, I also have EMI options for this particular course. I can lend, you can definitely pay in several installments if you don't have to pay the entire amount in one go. So you can definitely opt for the EMI options. You can just save in my contact number from the chat box, or you can give me your contact number and I'll call you after the class and we can discuss upon that. So apart from that, I think we can sign off for today, sir. I'll discuss.
I'll just answer Jilani's question. तो Jilani जैसे आप पूछ रहे हैं कि कहाँ अकाउंट खोलना चाहिए, I already told you. Internationally, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Huobi Global, Gate.io, these are the top exchanges. इंडिया में यदि आप खोलना चाहते हो तो WazirX, CoinDCX, CoinSwitchCubase, ZepPay, ये इंडिया के टॉप एक्सचेंजेस हैं. तो आप इनमें से कोई भी चूज कर लो and you can start किसी भी इनमें से आप start कर सकते हो. Right? So again, thank you so much everybody friends. I'm looking forward to seeing you from Saturday only. क्योंकि Saturday को हम लोग पोर्टफोलियो का वर्कशॉप कर रहे हैं जो आई थिंक लगभग 2 घंटे का वर्कशॉप होगा. इन 2 घंटे में आपको क्रिप्टो करेंसी का निचोड़, कौन सी कैटेगरीज, कौन से क्रिप्टोज आपके पास होने चाहिए, क्यों होने चाहिए, you will learn all that on Saturday. So it will be a very interesting workshop and I'm looking forward to seeing you on Saturday. And my best wishes are all for you because right now companies and countries they've started investing into cryptocurrency, right? मैं चाहूंगा कि आप लोग भी धीरे धीरे, एकदम नहीं, slowly steadily, risk free तरीके से, risk free technique से you start building your portfolio and learn how to make money by investing, trading and by passive income. Right? So thank you everyone, and especially thanks to Kana also for being a brilliant moderator as always. And so thank you so much and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for your valuable time, sir. And I think all of us had a wonderful session today and got to learn a lot of new things. And thank you so much for spending time with us.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, so as I promised in the beginning of the session that all those who attend the class till the end will definitely get certificates. All you have to do is fill a feedback form. So I'll be sharing the feedback form in the chat box now. You can fill the feedback form and give us your honest opinion as to how did you like the class today and what are the things we can improve on. You can just fill this feedback form and let us know what your honest feedback is. And as soon as you fill this feedback form, you will definitely get the certificates right away at your email addresses. So make sure to fill this feedback form. You have attended the entire class, so you deserve a certificate. Please fill this feedback form and get your certificates. Apart from this, I'll be pushing the enrollment link for one last time in the chat box. I have 4 slots left for the additional benefits of ebooks and the workshop that sir mentioned, including the metaverse workshop now. So I'll put the enrollment link once again in the chat box. If any one of you want to pay in crypto, that also we have an option. You can just give me your name and number and I'll call you after the class and we can work out on the payment. That's not an issue. So you can just give me your name and number. If you're not comfortable in sharing your number, you can save my number and maybe give me a call after the class and then we can discuss the possibilities of how you can pay through crypto. So as long as you're interested in learning, we are definitely ready to help you. And that's why we give EMI options as well. So if anyone wants to enroll, you can definitely enroll for this course by EMI options. So अगर अभी किसी को कुछ भी doubts है related to the boot camp or related to anything else, you can let me know. I'm here for 1 more minute and then I'll be signing off. You all can let me know. Deep sir, I'll be contacting you after the class. No worries on that. I'll we can definitely get in touch. Apart from Deep sir as well, किसी को भी कुछ भी doubts है, तो you can just save my number or give me your number, and we can definitely get in touch after the class. I'm here for 1 more minute. If any one of you has any doubts, you can let me know. All right, so if no doubts, I think we can sign off for today. And thank you so much everyone for attending. Thank you so much for being a part of the session today. And I hope you all found this session valuable and learned something new today. And hope that you have a good day ahead and a good night. So bye-bye. Take care.